How are we tonight, everybody? Wake up, J35! Woo! First in, hot off the press. He's been waiting for this stream, baby. He wanted it. Woo! Sigma is in the chat. How are we, guys? I can't hear you. I said, how are we? Woo! Good to see you guys so much. I just had to restart my computer, so we're starting fresh on a new warp world here, guys. We are Claude maxing. If y'all have seen our to-do list today, we might get Grok. We got it. It's the new cool thing. You know what I mean? Oh, I just hear fantastic things about it. We're missing out, aren't we? Aren't we? Y'all let me know if y'all been playing with Grok 4.6 or anything to do with Grokbot. Do we go for it? Do we go for it? I would have to consider discounting a little bit of my Claude usage. But hey, I'm not here to be cheap when it comes to AI utilization, baby. We got so much to accomplish. We got great things happening in the world of CoLateral. Just turning down my music just a wee bit. Wake up, everybody. Come on in. We jumped up a couple more subscribers while we were off stream. Love to see you guys here. W Grok from J35. Okay, all right. Well, if that's the case, then by golly, twist my arm. We might go crazy for it. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Oh, baby, what a day. Okay, we have some critical errors that's happening in our world of CoLateral. Guys, apparently I get kicked out of my own, CoLateral license here. So I have a Claude session just working away through that. Once we get that fixed up, but that is completely okay. I just keep click and try again. All right, hopefully. I don't know. If I go airplane mode on my phone, will that help? Guys, I'm going airplane mode on my phone. Perhaps. That is one of the things to do. Get better internet. Guys, I would love to be on the phone with my internet service provider and just yell at them on stream with you guys and tell them exactly how it is. And then maybe get you guys on the Discord. Y'all could be testimony to it as well, because it's hideous. It's hideous how it's working. Internet provider started vibe coding. Pretty much. No, it's just streaming or something. Such a shame to see, but yeah, some big fixes coming to CoLateral here. Let's take a peek what we got here. Billing is back on. What do we got here? Working here. I'm getting kicked out of my own application. Are you kidding me? Please fix this. And show it. Send a sub agent to show it so that we are having this live on our desktop application. We shouldn't be muted. I should be up and at it once again. My OBS says we're completely fine. Oh dear. I stress so much about streaming. Tell me we're back, guys. Tell me we're back. Oh, it's because I haven't guaranteed that this stream hasn't been made for kids, so they're censoring me. Oh my word! I just gotta. That says we're completely fine. Okay, we are back, guys. We are so back. No more of this muted stuff. We are electric tonight. Okay, cool. Okay, CoLateral is absolutely gonna be cooking here. Why not 6 Claude sessions inside of here, eh? Why not? Okay, huge thing. Obviously, we'll get this fixed up. Goodness forbid. But obviously, like the way how this has like the 4 cards in here, it's not bad. It's just still, I want it to like zoom out so you could see the full world. Like you can click arrange, and then there's different arrange options. So there's cards per array 2. Rebuild in my old order. This just happened the other day. We're gonna play around with it. Okay, so this is like groups of 2. But obviously, like, yeah, and then we get kicked out. Oh, what a shame. I shouldn't be, you sure it's muted? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Still mute. Y'all are messing with me, I know it. I'm going to my own stream, guys. Look at this. Come on. Am I even playing? Oh, I was just so... I shouldn't be, You sure it's muted? Come on, come on. You guys are messing with me. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, no, no. No one is muted here. Y'all are messing. Nice try. All right, guys, we got 20 people in the chat right now. Love to see it. Let's get some more faces in here. Oh, I forgot to update the revenue. Frick. Can I update the title like right now? Or is it too late? Frick. Guys, I'm just so used to like 0 revenue every friggin' day that I forgot to update it. Guys, we're up to like $100.50. Can I, details? Oh, there we go. All right, guys, $100.56. 56 cents from ad revenue, and then $100 from 20 freaking memberships yesterday. Thank you guys so much for joining us as a basement buddy. If you haven't already and you want access to all the cool little emotes and all the benefits that members will have on this channel, make sure you join in. I promise to make it the best experience possible for y'all. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay, so it should be day 37, $100.56. Okay, CoLateral's trying to work away here. Oh, hope it gets fixed. Thank you, Sigma. Good to see you here as number two commenter here, but you can't beat J35. Tony, thank you for updating me on the 0 revenue. We're fixing that up. On X, we're also live streaming, but that'll still say $0. Sorry to all my friends on X. It's just got to be stuck that way. Reloading the stream fixed it. Okay, so it was your guys' issue, not me, right? Okay. I think one thing I will complain about is like this whole array thing, how it's all sorted by discipline, A to Z. No, the whole point is like I should be able to choose. And see, it's like now it connects to cards not within the array. Like this is a cool feature, but as a like the main concept, it's a free world, and then you can go into these array views. But as it is, that's a problem. Okay, so this is what we'll do. Hey, I saw the work that you did for doing like swiping through different array views inside of CoLateral, and I think that's great, except I want to be able to see like all the different arrays like zoomed out in retrospect. So imagine it this way. You can focus on an individual card inside of array. You can focus on an array, and then you could just see all the cards in the world of CoLateral. So make it so it's like we're able to actually like zoom out one more to see all the arrays set up. And then that way, like in that array world, that makes it a lot easier to be able to sort the cards in the array and like move them around. Yeah, overall, just give more flexibility of how these cards get moved around. And I need you to send a sub agent to review how all of these cards look in these array views, because I saw a pad footing tool that looked a little squished. Not cool. It needs some repurposing there. So send as many sub agents as required to accomplish this goal successfully. Oh, yeah, and my whisper flow, goodness gracious, guys. It's because my internet's just, whoa. What's going on? No problem, G. You're the most cool of the vibers. Thank you. You know it, Tony. I got Tommy dissing on me for nothing. What's the deal? Michael Pine, what's up, my man? Good to see you. And we do, sometimes, Deb, we do have revenue made. Memberships and ad revenue. You should move to Herder or Orca. Looks like this ADE is not hardware efficient. Yeah, I'm not like, okay, Warp was great as like the gateway drug into an AD with all these different terminals, etc. But goodness gracious, I don't know. Sarge, what's up, my man? How are we today? Oh, Driver just became a member. Let's freaking go! Driver, say something, man. W's in the chat for our newest basement buddy. Give it up for my man, Driver. Woo! Feels awesome. Oh, mark my words, you'll end up building your own CLI agent manager. That, yes, essentially that is what CoLateral has pivoted towards. I have no shame in saying that. It's literally probably how the future of working is going to be. Is like, if you're building something, if you're building a new software and you have the capabilities to like have agents all around in there, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you, right? So that's what we're gonna do inside of CoLateral. But again, let me know. Okay, it looks like our license is okay. I haven't gotten kicked out yet. I really don't like this bottom bar here showing. Yeah, okay, never mind. We got kicked out. But guys, let's set some W's in the chat for our newest basement buddy. That's FSD Driver 1. You are the man. Thank you so much for joining us on this beautiful journey. I promise to make you proud of being a member of something where we're just getting started, baby. You're gonna tell all your friends. 1,800 subscribers. Driver, I recognize you from like way less than 1,000 for sure. Oh my word. You're gonna tell all your friends at school or at work, wherever. You're gonna be like, I followed him when he was just an itty bitty YouTuber, and now he's the man. Now he's the man. Okay, so we got a lot of problems in CoLateral. We just gotta pray they get fixed. Nothing came through in that message. Why did I just have an empty thing here? I just said Claude. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, yeah, pull up my license keys. I want to make sure that we're all up to date on that. Okay. Oh, you know what, guys? I canceled Whisperflow last night, so they might be stubborn and shadow banning me from their thing here. Hey, listen to me. I'm telling you to please pull up my license keys manager. Okay. In the meantime, I think we're gonna make the move over to Handy because we're almost done Whisperflow. I gotta get in the routine of doing something else here. So, this is our miscellaneous work tab here. We're gonna open up. Who else but Claude? Guys, I'm very heavily considering going all in on Grok. I mean, not all in, like we gotta keep something of Claude, but y'all feel me about this whole Grok hype? Y'all feel me? When we shifted to Handy, that was a while ago, but I just never incorporated it because as soon as we downloaded it, I had like a re-invoicing of Whisperflow. So I'm like, gosh darn it. So might as well keep it. Hey, I have Handy downloaded, installed, etc. Can you pull this up so then I can just literally have my hotkey be the right control so I can use speech to text dictation with Handy? There we go. Tommy, no Diddy. He ain't no Diddy. Not that I know of. He's the man. He's the man. All right. In the meantime, our distribution center here for all social media pipelines here. So it's been starting to pump out some of those like carousels. The only thing is, I didn't see like they tried to do emojis, but they just came out as like the rectangle showing like, oh, it didn't work. So I'm gonna complain about that like a Karen to this Claude agent. Hey, I looked at one of the carousels that you published and the emojis didn't even come out. And I'm so disappointed. And actually it was just a white background, which actually looked okay. I'll be honest, it looked okay. But you have to make sure that the emojis actually come through on this. Make sure that they're like the Apple iOS emojis, not the crappy like Android ones. Ugh. Anyways, you need to do a better job at reviewing carousels as they're pumping out. Remember that what we said about make sure you get screenshots on these. Make sure the screenshots are like of my face. It's not like just a zoom in of whatever messy. You could actually get like the whole agentic development environment inside of it too. Just remember that, yeah, I'm not doing a good job in reviewing these and they're coming out. So just do a better job at having a review on that puppy before we send it out. Okay, send out sub agents to review that and then report back to me saying emojis are back, baby. The Emoji Movie in theaters, July 28th. Whoa, guys, I yapped all that and look, folder. That's all it caught. Whisperflow is literally on our butt right now. We're fixing that. You know what, the whole copy paste folder, guys, there's something up. They are seriously, I can't even copy paste. Yeah, this the music came out pretty exotic and erotic in volume 6, eh? I can't even copy transcript. I'm trying both Alt V, Control V. Nothing. Okay, there we go. That worked. CoLateral's getting some action. Okay. Shorter for your post, perfect. Hey, and then also remember, like, based on the stuff that we say in live streams, when we're throwing live streams and all that, through the pipeline, we need to make threads posts and text only posts based on the things that I say there. Of course, polish them, get rid of any bad stuff that would be in my transcript. Just make sure, yeah, that way, like, you're taking a look at everything that I see. You see my transcript, you're learning based on what I'm saying. And then, yeah, like, all those threads are staying true to who I am. So that's just me complaining. Guys, Whisperflow is retired. I'm retired. That's Whisperflow saying that. I'm retired. Souls is here, baby! Wake up! Driver with the face palms. I love to see that. Enjoying his new toys. Guys, I can't even copy paste anymore. Everything, guys. Someone is trying to bring me my money. Souls, you see that? $100.57, baby. Dinner's on me tonight. Woo! We made money! Bring me my money! Yeah, can't wait to see you get rich, boy. It's just the beginning. I will not forget about you guys once I'm like spoiled rich. Like, I'm not gonna be one of those guys, you know? I will be a little upset about the fact that the still can't copy and paste. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Handy. Frick. You know, I could really use a handy right now because Whisperflow is not working. Y'all feel me? I wondered what day you'll make 100K. Could be today, for all I know. Could be today. Yeah, this is I wonder if my control button on my computer is not working or something. Guys, I'm not typing these. We're not doing like a typing only stream. Like, literally, I might be down to the point in which I have to screenshot and then send it my screenshot because it can recognize that. But look, I'm pressing enter. Just enter. What is the matter, guys? You know what? I don't even want to be sponsored by Warp anymore. What is going on? Guys, as soon as we make some money, like, the dirty government or someone is out to get us right now. The government thinks that we're not going to claim that income of $100.57, and they're like, you better pay tax on that. So they're closing down my Warp on me. This is unbelievable. Whew! How is that buggy Warp? Kenneth, oh! You know what? It's just because the fact that, look, I got kicked out of my own CoLateral. Everything's a disaster right now, guys. Warp sucks, uninstall. Is Orca, you know what? All right, guys, new item on our to-do list. I am so done. Warp is like, guys, it's a good starter place. It showed me the ropes, but we're moving on to bigger and better things, y'all. We are moving on to bigger and better things. Rip. Warp. There we go. There we go. Okay. Today, I might consider actually, let's get ourselves some grok. Okay. And then let's get rid of warp and let's change it with Orca, J35 is saying. I've been using Tracer. It's been absolutely amazing, but it's not optimized at all in terms of performance. King, what's going on? Vibe coding for the win. Uncle Sam is sabotaging us. You know what? It's because like when I stepped down from the one hackathon, from Tommy's hackathon, and I was like, I'm never gonna lose this. I kept saying to everyone, it's like, I'm stepping down, call me Joe Biden. I'm stepping down from the race. So now Joe Biden is getting his revenge on me for chirping him. Okay, it says, okay, now I can't even find my own license key manager. Like, it's literally just an artifact, but testing. Yeah, guys, Warp's broken. Warp is broken. And you know what? We've had so many problems with Warp. It's like, it's just time to get rid of it. The only thing that sucks is I'm actually like, I'm typing myself. I'm going to Orca. I'm typing, oh, Orca's most powerful agentic development environment. Oh, look at that, download for Windows. They got a nice website. They got a nice, pretty website. For some reason, I could still smell that it's vibe coded, but it's got a nice, pretty website. All right, does it cost money? Thank you for downloading Orca. No, thank you. Is that it? It's free? Click here. My download has started. Okay, just like that, guys. Aqua Voice as a fallback. Windows H. Oh, I'm just not a fan of that. That's the problem. Guys, okay, once we get Orca, we're first downloading Orca, and then we're gonna see if we can kill Warp, okay? $100, baby! Tracer. Is Tracer free? Also, Orca is free open source, so you can edit code when you want something extra. That's awesome. Did CoLateral start to get some users? I think we've sent out like 15, what's it called? It's still in beta, right? So in terms of vibe coding, we haven't been making any money yet. But this has all just been like from streaming, being on YouTube, etc. So it's from you guys hyping me up. So I kind of feel like a fraud right now because it's like, oh, we have money, but it's all literally just from streaming. But I see that as like, that's part of the journey, guys. So I got to thank you guys because obviously we couldn't do it without you. But money for vibe coding will come, guys. Just remember, everyone is on their own journey. Is it true you kidnapped Bridgemine? He's in your basement right now, vibe coding while you're at work. Y'all freaking know it, baby. Y'all know it. Hope, obviously, if you guys didn't hear the news, Bridgemind, I think his brother just had a kid. So we got Uncle Bridgemind rocking and rolling now. Good to see that he was doing okay. He's just taking a break to hang out with family. So rock on to him, man. Good stuff. No, I'm just happy to hear it was good news. Okay, guys, we are downloading Orca. Orca. We are killing Warp. Rip Warp. Get better in internet. I can't do that today. Is well maintained. Fake it till you make it. You freaking know it, baby. Y'all freaking know it. Oh yeah, so now that we made $100, let's spend it on 1 month of grok, I guess, eh? $100, baby! Oh shoot, we got 49 of us. I'm standing up. Y'all, if you were just showing up, y'all know how I am about liking the stream. I always gotta remind you, right? Everyone's gotta pay their taxes somehow. So remember, like the stream, guys. Remember, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. These push-ups we will get to in just a moment. I would tell Warp to update. Well, I can type it, but this is just a disaster right now. We're just bugging to death. This freezes so often. Yeah, I've just heard great things about Orca. So as soon as J35 said go for it, I'm like, yeah, he's probably right. He's probably right. So we're waiting for that to just get ready on my computer. And then once that's done, guys, we can host the funeral of Warp on this channel, which lasted what, like 3 weeks? Okay, wow. Look at that. Pick your default agent. Y'all, one day, Grok. One day, baby Grok. Y'all remember baby Gronk? Raising Livy Dunn, like the the kid? Baby Grok. We'll call it baby Grok right now. But oh, and look at that. Detected on your system 3. It knew Claude was going to be it. Guys, it's going to be Claude as our default agent. And look at that. It tells us, do you want to be on YOLO/dangerously skip permissions? Orca's awesome, guys. I subscribe. Thank you, Pablo. So my push-up counter, which we will fix today, because I realize it's probably just one prompt away. It just counts every 10, because how it reads on YouTube, if you guys see my channel, it'll say 1.83K subs. It doesn't get that last digit there. So once this gets up to 1.84, it will give me 10 more push-ups. So don't you worry, they're coming very soon. Guys, can we get Fs to pay respect for Warp in this chat, please? Because she is about to be retired. We are doing YOLO mode with Claude as our default here. Don't sleep on this. This, like when you open up Orca, could be over here very soon. So we're gonna do that. Everyone likes dark mode. I'm just assuming that's the case. PowerShell, because we are powerful. Right click, paste on right click. Yeah. I like that. System default for notifications. I kind of hate the default sound. 1 subscriber should equal 5 or 10. It used to be 1 equals 5, like 1 subscriber equals 5 push-ups, and then we absolutely blew up. We were getting like 300 subscribers in one day. I'm like, I cannot do that. I cannot do 1,500 push-ups in one day. X/Grok has been so far behind, and I'm honestly waiting for it to catch up. The speed is worth it alone if you're doing tasks and don't need to top up level thinking. Yeah, oh yeah. And everyone's talking like 4.7 is gonna come out very soon too, eh? Oh, what? Okay, let's choose the least annoying. I could hear the music. That's a okay one. Okay, beep's cool. Let's just do that. All right. Let's add our first project. Don't worry about the folders for, well, I guess it has to. It'll find it. Okay. I just want to play in here. Okay, guys. We are inside of Orca. I will wait until, I guess, like this prompt here is finished, this one too. And then we will kill Warp. We will kill it. Yeah, because look, okay, so now it can recognize my images, but too late. We already downloaded Orca. XAI has open sourced their X algorithm. Jay, what does that mean? They open source their algorithm. Like you can modify your algorithm, or what does that mean necessarily? Like how your stuff gets distributed? We need another good Quen MOE model. Quen heard awesome things about. How about 1 membership equals 5 push-ups? Oh yeah, if we get 1 membership, I'll do 10 push-ups. That is completely fine. What is up? How many branches, work trees do you have for your software? Our Capital Command Center had like 400 work trees at one point. We cleaned that up. I haven't looked in a while, so I honestly have no clue. They open source the code of how their X algorithm works. Like they accidentally leaked it, or they just chose to show everybody. Like, that's interesting. I don't know what to think of that. Orca mobile. Guys, there's a mobile app on Orca? Okay, how do I set this up very similar to what we just had? Projects. I guess. I'll just pull that up real quick. CoLateral. Oh shoot, yeah, I gotta get my desktops cleaned up a wee bit here. CoLateral app, there we go. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Interesting. X is, they're on to something weird, aren't they? Okay, create project. Beautiful. Holy smokes. So it just gave me like split terminal. Interesting. I already like how this is feeling, guys, to be honest. Oh, the link to my Discord. I will throw that in the chat just now. Just give me one moment. One moment, y'all. There I am, tarpless. All right. Build your own whisper flow neck. Yeah, you know what? Our Nightbot, like I've tried vibe coding that so much, but it's not working. Wait, how do I pin that now? Come on. Here, I'll spam. There we are. There we go. Okay, I think I pinned my message there. Perfect. Sorry, my chat's just catching up right now. I'm gonna reload something here. Guys, I see 14 likes. We gotta bump that up. I know we're just starting the stream, but I can smell like we can get to 50. We can get to 50 today. So let's aim for 25 when I check again in 30 minutes. Trailblazer, what's going on? All right, guys, you know what? It's only fair enough. J35 has asked to be a moderator in our streams. And guys, here's the thing. I see J35 absolutely everywhere. If y'all have been in any other Vibe Coders live streams, which I know a lot of you have, because I kind of lurk on those and I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, oh, it's you guys. J35 is everywhere. He's absolutely everywhere, guys. So you know what that means? I think he deserves a status upgrade. Y'all, I want to give a big round of applause to our newest moderator, Mr. J35. Let's get some W's in the chat for J35, now being the newest moderator in the Nick live streams, y'all. Big W's. Good to see that. Awesome. I want a ranch. Yeah. Tony, whoa, one sec. Hold on, Tony, hold on. We're just getting started here. I can only do one mod at a time these days, okay? One at a time. I'm giving it out like candy. Tony, one day. All right, big W's, good to see it. There's a many. All right, perfect. Okay, guys. So now, it said Claude was my default. Okay, here we go. Okay, this feels comfier. I like this a lot more already. So then if I wanted a new folder, and then if I wanted to split again, yeah, it's Control-Shift-D. Okay, Control-Shift-D. Oh, that's not to go. So how would I split under? Y'all feel me? Testing to see if handy works. Still not working. Going back to warp. Guys, we're working with 280Es at the moment right now. CoLateral wants back up from the dead, but can't reach it. All right, then don't bug me. Also, Orca has built-in emulators for phones. It's yeah, I saw Orca Mobile, and that got me very excited. I'm like, what? What? Your workspace in your pocket. Okay. I will be downloading the application to Orca. I think I already love you, Orca. Guys, why has no one told me about Orca before? Oh my word. Oh, I'm on airplane mode. Guys, I put my phone onto airplane mode because I'm like, that might help the internet here. Thomas, what's up? How are you? Guys, if you are new to the stream, I'm Thomas, not saying you're new. I recognize you all the time. But y'all make sure you subscribe to the channel. Big things. Oh boy. All right. Hold on, get my Orca app. I got a picture of someone installing a wood beam. All right, Nick F, I sent Orca to you in DMs weeks. Did you? Oh my word. J35, now I recognize that. Now I recognize that you did. But what the heck? Did I not listen? Oh, is Orca IDE in beta? I have to download test flight? Is that what it's saying? Let me try that one more time. One more time. That literally just takes me to apple.com. Test flight, apple.com. Step 1, get test flight. Is that what y'all had to do? I'm on an iPhone. All right, whatever. I trust it. Okay, guys, we got a lot to work on. I'm not gonna, yeah, now that we're in Orca, like I'm not gonna be prompting warp here. So I'm gonna just literally set it all up. Just create a new project. This will be our OBS studio. I like my stuff organized this way. Claude. It's how you get apps that aren't official yet. Okay, so that's just where you get your beta. Yeah, because it's still in beta. Just like CoLateral. So Orca, like, are they gonna charge money? Like they're gonna get me addicted to? Well, by then, CoLateral will be way off, like up in the sky on its feet. Like then we'll be okay. It's just the reason why I haven't been using CoLateral as an orchestrator, guys, because like I'm still making big changes inside of it. Tuppy with his government name. View in test flight. Okay. Sorry, guys. Just doing the mobile version right here on my phone. Tuppy, we're working. We're done with warp now. I've had troubles, and I'm like, I'm done. So now it's free open. Oh, sorry. It's open source. It's free. You own it forever. All right. Well, cool. I don't mind at all. Okay, perfect. We're still having troubles with Handy. What's this saying? Available to download. These are just like the different models. Choose a transcription model. All right, give us accuracy and speed. This one seems to be it. Okay, so I just have to download it. Let's freaking go! All right. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so we're downloading that, so Handy will just be moments away. In the meantime, TikTok counter is gone. Yeah, as you guys see, we're only tracking X and YouTube, but the push-ups will count towards YouTube. Remember, if we get to 1840, which I think we're at like 1835 right now, we'll do a big round of push-ups. Pull up my push-up counter, please. Guys, Whisperflow is pull up my push-up counter, please. Guys, nothing's snapping anymore. Well, oh, it's because... Oh. Do you see that? Do you see how long that took? That is not cool. And I can't even press enter. Oh, it's because I gotta pass the whole tutorial first. I'm in an unskippable cutscene right now. can't even send this prompt yet still. Guys, maybe it's just my computer. It's not my keyboard. I know my enter button works. Oh my word, and it even gives the limit at the bottom. That's pretty cool. The only problem is like I'm trying to press enter. I'm trying to press everything. Yeah, what's going on now? What is going on now? This is madness. I hate Orca. What's going on? Yeah, it's not the RAM right now. Like if I go to my task manager, 52% I'm at. Like I'm barely touched anything. Like why is this broken right now? Oh, that's really slow. What happened? No, it's not the keyboard. It's just slow. Like I was able to type in Chrome and everything. What's up, Ant Dog? All right, we got everyone in here now. Okay, let's see what we got in Warp back in this world, guys. Yes, we're 280s. Once we get CoLateral back in our hands, like guys, we're allowed to play with it for like 30 seconds, and then it becomes an issue. Oh, and also we do have to study a little bit, guys. I'm still stressing a wee bit about that exam. Okay. Create a new array of 4 cards that are all Claude terminals. Yeah, see, and then we get kicked out. This is ridiculous. And of course, like that's gonna be an hour and a half. This is gonna be an hour and a half. Like guys, I don't know, I'm getting frustrated. Maybe the Grok is selling itself to me right now because I just want speed. I just want speed right now. The exam is on Monday. We might as well do another project here. That is my study hall. And of course, we'll pull that up with my man Claude. All right, I trust it every time, I swear. Ow. Is it like single core maxing? I don't think so. Everything seems to be happy. Yeah, I'm not sure. Hey, pull up my study hall. Okay, there we go, there we go. Might as well party all weekend. Oh, there's gonna be a little bit of partying on Saturday. Okay, guys, I guess I'm gonna wait until these finish. Well, I could still prompt inside of this Orca for any more CoLateral things. It's just CoLateral is literally broken based on one terminal that's working inside there. Ah. Arg. Where did the 56 cents come from? Money laundering. Lots of money laundering, guys. Okay. CoLateral. Hey, since you failed to... Okay, hold on, actually. The license keys. There's like an HTML that pops up. Start menu. There's no license key manager on this machine. What the ruck? To be honest, I don't know where in my files I saved it, but there is one. Yes, you literally I think it was an artifact you made where you gave me a bunch of license keys to distribute. And you can't find it? I don't know, it's an HTML file or something you gave me. Please. That is wild, guys. Oh, CoLateral's up for the 30th time. Stay up! Stay up! Stay up, please! All right. In the meantime, our study hall here. Got a setup script. What do y'all think of this theme? Like, it's like the PowerShell blue kind of back here. Okay, yeah, there we go. HTML. Perfect. Okay, this right here is our study hall, which says 0%. Okay, so it held on to our progress. That's good. All right. So we're gonna have this on the side here. Don't worry, y'all. What's all this on the side here? Oh, branches. Nope. Source control. Agents. That seems complex. Why can't I'll just pull up. Can I minimize that, or where can I close this? J35! Show floating workspace. Does this stay like... Oh yeah, that stays in place. That's nice. Just got payment from my first website client. Let's go, Ant Dog. Claude cooking as we speak. Love to see that, my man. Oh boy. Oh, it's literally right there. Sorry guys, I'm so blind when it comes to pulling up buttons. Pull up on the block. Okay. So, never mind J35, we got it figured out. Okay. My study questions right here. That's when we take a wee itty bitty break here. Law is a floor, not a ceiling. That's probably something I agree with. CFPOA, I have no clue what that means, y'all. Let's just... Hey, I have no clue what this means. Explain it to me like I'm 5. There we go. All right. Orca is up and at it, y'all. We are alive. What's the best way to pitch or market your website and product? Knock on doors and say, hey, this is my product that I've vibe coded. Okay, we're at 88% downloaded. This one model here that's supposed to be very fast and very accurate. What's it taking so long? Goodness. All right. Oh, settings, themes to change themes. Settings. You're lucky I found the gear. Themes. Let's see, terminal. Scroll speed. All right, this is all cool, eh? Themes. Where do you see themes? Appearance. It's not themes, it's appearance. Interface? No. I like the fonts. Dark theme. Is this right? Like, I like how we were able to change the appearance on CoLateral. On Warfare. Oh, built in. Aha, they're right here. Everyone hates Dracula, but I like it. Oh, that's just for the text. That's just like the terminal world. Terminal theme, you saw that. Perfect. Okay, but this in the background has to stay dark. IDE font. I like their font, actually. If the whole thing could, like, can this match the terminal background? I kind of like this Dracula, but y'all are going to call me silly. I don't mind it at all. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm getting a call from Brooke. Should we answer? Absolutely. Brooklyn! You knew what you were signing up for. Oh yeah, just you wait. Just you wait. I got a lot in here that I could still we can go longer. You want to call again so then I could do a longer one? Okay, okay. What's up? You're heading to bed. I suppose it is like, what, 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock we are. Hey, one of our loyal viewers, I think he might still be in the chat here, is a newfie.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Beautiful hair.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, you should hear what it said about you.
Yes, but I've been worn out today.
Okay, well, I'll ask you about it another time then.
How's the stream?
Oh, it's been splendid. We got 30-something viewers in here right now. We're doing a little bit of studying. I kind of moved some stuff. I don't know. I had what a start to me coming back home. Tried to unclog my drain. Whoa, don't even. I tried everything. I plunged it. I vacuumed it. Literally, like, it's not even. I don't even know what the problem is anymore. I don't own that, Brooke.
It's like $2.
Well, okay, great. I'll just go drive to the store. Brooke, I can't do it. I was stressed, okay?
Okay, I'll loan you a drain snake.
No, it's okay. Well, I don't think that's the problem. There's something else way down the line. But,
Okay.
yeah. Anyways, Brooke, we're going to get back to it here. But it was very good to hear from you.
Yeah. Did you make more money today yet?
Oh yeah, we did got one new member in the chat here, so an extra $5 made today, so we're at 105.57.
We love to hear it.
Love to hear it. Oh yeah, so yeah, we're rich as can be. Yeah.
Just can be. Okay, well, good night. Good night, everybody.
Well, bye, Brooke. Good to hear from you.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, she sounded so tired. That innocent soul. All right. CoLateral seems to be fixed up. Oh, we got one more here. It's 42 minutes before we could do anything there. Okay, what happened? The GCP billing reopened and linked. What's the matter? Billing accounts. Are they telling me I got to pay for CoLateral myself now? Hold on. The license was never the problem. I reproduced the failure, WebView own debugger, and shipped the update. Runs fine. 30-second deadline on the mount. Only clears. Yeah. I checked the API rather than the console. Oh, we ran out of money. Well, we might once we buy Grok. We ran out of songs to listen to, so I gotta change that up. Volume 3, let's do it. All right, guys, all the music here is AI generated from yours truly. I gotta do a whole like Sunobops project in here. Lucas, what is going on, my man? New project. We're just gonna call it Nick Bops. It's how I like to be organized, guys. All right. Okay, how's your progress on shipping out volume 7 of Nick Bops? Please proceed in accomplishing this. Woo! Tell her to open up the stream. Leave a tab open for the yeah, hold on. I'm going to text her that right now and say, can you at least go to bed with my stream on so I can get that extra viewer? I'm going to tell her that. Oh, guys, Orca. We're going to get it. Install, baby. I said, install my app. Install my app. Okay, it's installing. Hey, Brooke, just so you know, if you open my stream and ads play, that means I get money. So can you please open my stream, like the stream, and sit through ads, please? Okay, perfect. That's money laundering. That's where the 56 cents come from. Making my lovely girlfriend watch ads on my behalf. I love how you generate music during the live stream, then release it the next morning. I love it too. I love it too. Okay, so Nick Bops working away there. Oh, I did ask a question about. Oh, she answered pretty quick. Brooke says, yes, of course. Aw. All right, guys, now we got to behave because now she's going to tune into the stream. So let's behave. Let's be on our best behavior here. Sunglasses on. Sunglasses. All right. For when Brooke tunes in, we are ready to pretend that we're working here. All right. All right. So what is CFPOA? I think it had something to do with Alberta. Tell her to go to bed to Nick Bops. The lullabies on Nick Bops, y'all. You are so right. She has subscribed, Slop Enjoyer. That's the good thing. I made sure of that. Okay. Oh dear, I got that wrong. CFPOA stands for the Corruption of Foreign Public Officials Act. It's a Canadian federal law that says don't bribe government officials of other countries. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Oh, we got a text. Look what my ad was for. That is amazing. All right. Good to see you, Brooke. Hey, how are ya? All right. So what is the CFPOA, the Corruption of Foreign Public Officials Act? So binds abroad. The law follows you. If you're a Canadian engineer working in a project in another country, you could still be charged in Canada for bribing an official over there. Did y'all know that? Did y'all know that? That is cool. That is pretty bonkers. Okay. All is well. Do it anyways. Yeah, you're right. It's the government. They can be messed with here. Undergrinder, come on, Nick. Many new models today. Huge step. Let's go. Thank you, Undergrinder. Grok is on the top of our list. Get Grok. Get Grok. It's right there. It's right there. So don't you worry. It will come. By the way, I do notice like the emojis. Oh, there they go. They do pop up here. That's awesome. Grinder, under grinder. Good to see ya. Oh, do y'all know I can whistle with my teeth? Y'all thought that was beautiful. Thank you. Test out Gemini 3.7 Flash. How's that been in terms of the reviews? I don't care too much about like having like 20 different models to work around, but oh, and I see actually what does not pop up on. Is that something that can't be fixed? Let's see. I'm gonna ask that quickly on our OBS overlay. In addition to just pull up my push-up counter, because we will do some push-ups pretty soon. We're 19 in debt. We'll pull up another Claude sesh here. These will soon be Grok sessions, y'all. So sick. Hey. Oh, what the fudge? My freaking screenshots. Okay, the what? Let's Grok. Grok is going to be purchased today. It's going to hurt my wallet, but I promise you, it's money well spent. Hey, I need you to see the screenshot that I pasted here. You got to see that J35 tried to do a what, and it's not popping up on my OBS overlay. Can you have it where all emotes and reacts are popping up on the overlay, please? There we go. All right. Just got to study a couple more of these top tips and tricks. Yeah, rest in peace, Warp. I agree. We are waiting for one more CoLateral prompt there, and then we're going to be like, you know, we're shifting over. We're shifting over to Orca. I do not mind at all. Do not. DeepSeek V4 Pro. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. So yeah, don't bribe other people's governments. All right, cool. Why it's tagged. So what do they say? Binds abroad facilitation exemption repealed. What? Facilitation exemption. This is the part that's actually being tested. Grease payment is a small tip to a lower level official to hurry up something they're already supposed to do for you. Slip in a clerk $50 so your permit gets stamped this week instead of next month. It's not buying a decision, just buying speed. Okay. Oh, so it's, yeah, okay. All right, cool. Yeah, don't bribe government officials to say, get my permit out. Oh, whatever. Well, how else is it gonna get moving along, you know? Canada used to have a carve out saying those little payments were okay. That carve out is gone, repealed. Oh, there you go. That's some news for you. Yeah, Nightbot's absent. Guys, Nightbot, we did have it up and at it at one point. OBS. What do we have here? Pull up my push it counter. Oh, I already did have it up. It says it's up in Chrome. I don't see it. Not found. Hey, it says it's not found. How dare you? Okay, we'll do a third here. Claude. What was I gonna say here? Oh, hey, my Nightbot has not been working this stream. What's the deal with this? Please get it back. Tom, what is up? What are you creating now? So we just went into a new world here called Orca. It's replacing our old puppy here, Warp. And it's gonna work a little bit better. I think it's an upgrade. And we got some fixes to make with CoLateral. So now it's like we kind of have like payments set up on it, but now it's not recognizing like my license. It's asking me to pay for my license, which I theoretically could do. Okay, I think it's actually back up and at it. Remember the one thing I complained about though, saying, so now it's like in this kind of world. I like this as an option, but I don't want this to be the, you can get 6, rebuild. See, I don't even understand this. Arrange now. Well, this has 6, but see how it's like, it's not taking up enough space. Yeah, it's pretty messy, I'll be honest. And see, you could cheat it still too. Guys, I think that's an L. It's the right idea is there, like having set up arrays of these tools just to see how the tools interact with each other better and have that nice and organized, but kind of an L. This goes dark mode, which is unnecessary. Oh, Orca is talking to us. All right, so we're gonna go back into Orca. I'm gonna complain about, hey, what's the deal here? So right click is to paste, which is nice. Now I got 3 ways for something not to work. My screenshot, Alt V. There we go. Hey, when I drop down and do more, it does dark mode when we have a light theme, obviously. This is not cool. I need you to ensure that all drop-down menus like this follow the theme of CoLateral. Okay, I gotta fix it. Works perfectly. When you want Claude to change something, take a picture of it. Oh yeah, the screenshots. Then draw the change on the picture and it works perfectly. I see. I've seen Bridgebind do that a couple times. Nightbot is back. Let's go. Oh, and he's back better than ever before. DeepSeek has their own harness now. Yes, they do. I could pull that up. I won't do it on CoLateral. I'll do it like on my YouTube world here. Which, by the way, how do I do a Claude session that's like under? Because that was Control-Shift-E. But that just pulls this up. Well, I could ask. What was it pulling? Oh yeah, I was gonna do a DeepSeek. Silly me. Hey, in Orca, how do I split the plane below? Because Control Shift D does like one to the like the left and right, but how do I do up and down? Try it, make it send a picture. Drunk Monkey, what's up? Hit the Windows tab key on your computer. You can see how Windows handle virtual desktops. Looks like you're trying to create virtual desktops for CoLateral. Instead of those desktops saying 1, 2, 3, 4, you could probably give it users a live preview. I'm not sure what you mean. Why'd my music stop? Goodness gracious. Where are you? Okay, our push-up counter should be back up. Yeah, we're only getting started. Is it because I got an ad? No, we seriously just ran out. All right, volume 1 it is. There we go. All right. You can see and edit the shortcuts. I see. Okay. I'll just vibe code that shortcut. Owen codes. Oh, feels good to drink water, guys. Instead of those desktops saying 1, 2, 3. Like, are you talking on CoLateral, Drunk Monkey? Oh, you're talking like that. I don't know what you're talking about, sorry. Anyways, some changes we'll make to CoLateral. They will come in the latest and greatest update. Okay, so that is something that we learned. Facilitation exemption repealed, so you can no longer bribe people to get your permit pushed. Perfect. Defendant must prove failure to mitigate. Okay, we should be back. Control Shift, plus or minus. Try this maybe. Oh, for terminal shortcut handles. That's zoom in and out. Not sure what's going on. What's going on? This froze up too. Not sure. Well, here, I could just open up the shortcuts. Okay, there we go. I should learn these anyways, eh? New terminal tab. Next tab. Woo! Split. Split down is Alt-Shift-D. Okay. I'm going to change that to Control... Hey, let me... Control-Shift-E. There we go. Okay, perfect. So split terminals down is Control-Shift-E now. There we go. So now when I put that to the test... Control-Shift-E... No, it didn't do that! Whatever, I'll get... No, don't close that! Sorry, I meant this one. Goodness gracious, guys. I'm such a mess. Where's the... There you are. Oh, we did split one below. Oh, we split two below. That's why that was silly. Okay. I think it's CW. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, guys, look. We're in the deep sea harness now. I love how this harness looks because it's like stuff floating around. What should we prompt for that there? Code whale. Oh, that's not the flash. We want to use the flash one. I think flash one was... I hate that. It does this as well. CWF for DeepSeek Flash. There we go. Okay. Hey, I need you to take a look through my YouTube videos. I'm already signed in on my YouTube channel there. Take a look at my videos in which I don't have a description in the video. Where I don't have a description, you can copy and paste from another video that has a description. Make sure that all my videos have descriptions with all the respective tags and everything on it, please. There we go. And you can just deep seek away and look, it floats. It's bloop, 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 bloop. Pretty cool stuff. All right. What deep seek harness is that? I just type in like code whale, and then there's like code whale flash. It looks pretty cool though. I just spent like $10 or $5 of like total usage. Someone said just, oh yeah, play with it, try it out. Okay, we're all set there. CoLateral. I got to go back to warp, I suppose. So yeah, we're no longer that we're back. This is up and at it. So I'm happy to see that. But like now having folders, that defeats the whole purpose of folders because now everything's. But that's probably a good thing. Yeah, folders were irrelevant. Because now they could be sorted in like these arrays. This is the original DeepSeek harness. Okay. David Kane, congrats on the revenue. Was it from my man? A lot of generous, lots and lots of generous people who decided to become members. Decided to become basement buddies, baby. You know it. Thank you guys so much. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Like I said, we go to warp. I'm going to kill warp. We can't. I'm going to wait for this to run, finish up. I don't want to close that because this is a fundamental thing for a UI on CoLateral. Oh, it's open in Chrome. Aha. So we did have licenses to look at. Rise of the Basement Buddies. You know it, baby. Attention required. Oh, because I didn't YOLO mode in DeepSeek. This is crazy, by the way, having two ADEs here. Yes, just pick one. Descriptions plus tags. Full basic info, of course. All right. Yeah, we'll throw DeepSeek into that. Can we prompt warp to uninstall warp? Like, have warp like obliterate itself. Yes, I think that's a good way to sign it off. J35, yeah. All right. Also, in the meantime, let's get Grok. So how much does Grok cost? Like, what's the minimum I could get of? Well, hold on, because I was curious with Grokbot. I was like, but do I need Grokbot if I have Orca on my phone now? Holy crap, the app is downloaded. Guys, we have Orca on my phone. So I might not need Grokbot if I have Orca. Is that right? Hey, Claude, I'm contemplating getting Grokbot, but I think that might be overkill if I already have Orca on my phone in addition to on my computer. Well, I guess the only thing is it's like, yeah, these agents don't communicate with each other the same way that Grokbot does. I'm very curious to see what people say about it. So yeah, let me know what I should consider, because I'm considering getting Grok because it is a goated model. And you never bet against Elon. So what do I do from here? Let me know, guys. I'm curious. Okay, start testing. So, okay, let's say if I'm at work, right? Let's say I'm at work and I want to control something on my computer. I always thought, like, yeah, on the Claude app, you can use, what's it called? Dispatch, right? But if I have all my Claude agents like working in Orca here, for example, Orca uses your resources versus, yes, Grokbot. I forgot, like it's its own server. It's its own, literally own computer. No, you need Grokbot because it includes the VPS, which is the virtual computer that does the compute. Orca uses your resources. Good point. Good point. You know what? That would be beneficial to us big time. Using Grokbot resources. Oh shoot. Go to settings, mobile. I gotta do this whole scanner thing. Oh, I probably shouldn't do that on stream then. I don't know, because anyone could scan it and I don't know. I'm silly. Workspace in your pocket. Not a valid Orca QR code. Settings, mobile. One moment, y'all. Still waiting 1 hour and 7 minutes for that. Nightbot is broken, but nothing on your machine. Oh, guys, Nightbot does come sporadically. Can someone like test that? Like, the agents work in their own terminal. The only thing, like, I think our good man Max Blade did a nice video of it, I think on X. He shows that, like, because they have their own computer they can work on. The only thing is, like, let's say you wanted it to actually, like, go do something on Walmart.com. It gets stuck behind, like, a CAPTCHA. Like, you have to, because it's, like, its own weird IP address. It'll force you to, like, have to do, like, work through it every single time. Okay, sorry. I'm going to pair on my mobile device here. Yes, like, here's the thing. SpaceX, guys. Remember, Claude, Anthropic, they were trying to take away Fable because they don't have the compute to hold on to it. And now they're only holding on to it because people are desperate. Or saying, like, rah, 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 rah. Oh, where's mobile? Mobile emulator. I don't know where to go. Go to Orca on your computer, go to settings, mobile. Oh, I literally just found it. Relay. Versus LAN. Oh, so relays so I don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi. Okay. Sorry, just doing some shining here. Guys, life is good. We are improving every single day. SpaceX is capturing the market. They got us good. Slop, does anyone here actually have Grokbot? Holy crap, so now I'm signed in. I didn't see the QR code though. I'll return to the app, like the desktop app. Generate QR code. Here we go. Holy smokes. Okay, I think we got it. Ask UI chat. Oh, so how should sessions open? I can choose between whether I want... Nate Dogg is in the house. There we are, guys. Big W's for our basement buddy, Nathan. Any new basement buddies today? FSD Driver 1 became a member today, so we're up to 21 members. This basement's getting pretty crowded, eh? Y'all think we could fit 21 of us in here? Holy smokes. Yeah, we're working in a new environment here. We're done with everything that has to do with mobile device. That's amazing. My mobile device is paired. But y'all see we're working in a different world here. Orca is the way to be. Ooh, look at all this. Wait, seriously? Did DeepSeek just finish the work here? Got it. Decisions locked in. Final plan. Then the work in order. Notes. Oh, I have to reply / mode act. Switch to act mode. What? So this is literally just a chat until I switch to that mode? Or I gotta do that every time? Yes, proceed with that now that you're in act mode. Okay, let's see how many cents that costs. Oh, I'm not in YOLO mode. That's a shame. DeepSeek's kind of cool to look at. Oh, no. Come on, YOLO mode. All right, that's fine. All right. Our music keeps dying up. There we go. Never mind. We got the music. All right. Let's use chat user interface. Choose whether support agent sessions open in a terminal or chat UI onto this device. Press and hold the session tab to switch its view or change the default later in settings. All right, let's just do that. We'll do notifications on. Holy smokes, guys. I can literally play on my computer from my phone here. That's insane. That is insane. Done with everything that has to do with what? What's this CWCLI? I use open code for DeepSeek. This is Code Whale. Code Whale. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. Because you get fish flying in there. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, wow. And guys, I'm literally on my phone. It tells me how much usage I have on ChatGPT, Claude. And I can literally sign into my phone. And I can say something like, from my phone, I'll just go to like my OBS here. I wonder, can I like do that live? Oh, the only thing is it like gives a notification every time, but I can change that. Holy crap, and I can see the overlays here. I can add a new one. New Claude, Codex, or Grok. Let's do a Codex one. Does it pop up here? And then I'll say, hey, on my OBS overlay, can you please add a picture of a chicken that you image generate and put it in the bottom left corner of my OBS? By the way, I'm live right now, so don't mess anything up. If I do that, will this update on here? So I just sent a prompt on my phone. I don't see it updated here, and I am in the right space. Agent is working. Guys, this is super exciting. This is very nice to be working on my phone here. That was the one thing where it was like, but my computer's all the way back at home. I can't set up to it. But y'all, this is the way to do it. And like we said, like, yeah, you can use Grokbot. You can use Grokbot's SpaceX resources. The only thing that's like, it would have been nice if we could see, I don't see the Codex agent here anywhere. That says done. Just figuring this out, y'all. Just figuring it out. Vibe coding from your car. Literally, like I could be at site. I could just yap all the things that I complain about, and it will give me like the Word document for my whole review report. Tom thinks 4.6 is nice. I think it is for sure. T3 code for mobile prompting, but you should stick with Orca. Yeah, mayhaps. Okay. Oh, here's the split pane thing. I'm gonna clear. So if I clear that, will that update it live on my phone? Okay. Yeah, it updates live on my phone. Again, I still just don't see this. Is it just because this is so full? Oh, I literally see the GPT agent here. It just didn't have the space for it. Oh, because I did a new... Because obviously it's not splitting the panes. It just did a new session. Like a new tab. Okay, that's completely fine. That's wild though, guys. Like, look, I sent this from my phone. And now we are updating. We're going to have a picture of a chicken in the bottom left corner. Literally, if we see a chicken here... Like, guys, this is unbelievable. Today felt the AGI more so than last week. We're there already. We are there. So how does that work? Do you have to leave your PC on? I think so. I think so. But that's the thing with Grokbot is obviously we wouldn't have to worry about keeping it on. Yeah, the PC off, it wouldn't work. So using the PC, it's just a remote access protocol. Yeah, so it's the same as like whatever dispatches on Claude. But I like how this is all organized in this environment here. That's amazing. Well, guys, I'm serious about like, we got this now. Like, I want to play around with Grok too. Yeah, there's where Grokbot would be clutch. Yeah. The only thing is, here's the thing, is like working on, okay, if I like let Grokbot sign into, like it's a new computer that they use, right? So if I let Grokbot sign into my things, like, should I be concerned in some way? Like, I know it's up to my discretion to choose whether I let SpaceX have some computer that has my YouTube sign in, for example. But like, is that the wrong way of thinking about it? Like, if that's the case, I just don't mind keeping my computer on and then just saying, yeah, fly away. Fix up my YouTube. I do want to play with Grok. Oh my gosh, it added the chicken. Guys, that is from my phone. That is literally from my phone. It did that. Did it do on? Yeah, just on that preview. That is insane. By the way, this warp one. Look at that. Hour and 19 minutes. That's not even that big of a prompt either. And this is medium effort Opus 5. Plotting Chrome 6 times. I don't know why. No, it sounded okay. It's working away. It is a big UI change. I won't complain then. Literally just sit back and prompt from my phone. Yeah. Like that is insane. Like, do y'all realize now, like, vibe coding, like us streaming, I'm not bound to my desk here. Like, we could literally be on the go. I could literally just be streaming in real life if I want to be one of those guys and just prompt away at my phone and just be like, yeah, just trust me, don't worry. You can get API with ZDR, no retention, but every prompt is still able to be seen by the provider. Yeah, so that's the risk that you take, I suppose. I think all of them steal your data low key. Yeah. Are you liable if an agent goes haywire? Yeah, it's your prompt. Bone vibing. Yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff, guys. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's go, chicken. Oh, here, I got so many OBS things. I'm just gonna make this a miscellaneous folder here. Whenever I want to throw in whatever garbage. Even though I kind of did that with this OBS folder. No, hold on. What's this here? DeepSeek sucks, guys. The init timed out. Is now is your running Chrome. It's open. I haven't been able to get DeepSeek to do anything for me. Hey, the goal was you were supposed to do this, okay? Michael Pine! We vibe coded that chicken onto our stream from my phone. Because I just got Orca, the mobile app on my phone, and now this is bonkers. Needs Orca mobile paired with your Orca desktop. So she could sabotage my code base. Or she could be working for me. We'll put her to work. I'm not scared to put her to work. Wait, what was I doing here? There we go. Okay. And then, guys, mind blowing. Mind blowing. Like, now that we're mobile, anything is possible. Oh, great. DeepSeek just shut down my Google Chrome. Whoops. Oh, that's a shame. Well, guys, okay, now that we're doing this, I'm almost kind of manic enough. I want to go on Grok. I want to pop on Grok. Well, I got it. Hopefully I'm able to restore these. Yeah, there we go. Oh my word. Oh my word. What is Orca? Never heard of it. New agentic development environment where there's mobile app implications to it. It seems to be better in terms of, well, just how it's laid out. Might be quicker. I don't know. We were using Warp. It works the same way, right? But fantastic stuff, guys. All right, well, it shut that down. That's not good. All right, DeepSeek sucks. It keeps like killing my Windows cannot find remote. Yeah, all right, DeepSeek. I'm just gonna cancel that. Well, we tried. Now our music's off. It always feels so weird, like streaming with no music on. Like, I almost feel like no one's there, but y'all are there. 29 of us are here, guys. Woof. Remember, guys, if you haven't already, I'm gonna bug you on liking the stream. Once again, oh, I can't even boot up Google Chrome now. There we go. All right, restore. There we go. All right, study hall. I notice we are kind of looping through the same songs on Suno, eh? Or Nick Bops. Because we only have so many volumes, guys. Goodness. All right. Grok is half the price. Run out of Grok all this time. I run out of Claude. Yeah, Claude is expensive. I might consider, like, if I'm going to run a process in which I'm going to use Claude for just, like, orchestrating and reviewing, and then going to use Grok for execution, then I certainly will, like, cut my subscription on Claude. It, like you said, it is an expensive model. So, guys, we are going to be making some money moves here. Don't y'all worry. Okay, what if I just type in Grok? Like, what? Do I need super Grok heavy or something? Is that how you get Grokbot? Is that how you get it? Oh, guys, we're at 1838 subscribers. We are 2 away from the big 1840. Don't be shy now. I know we can get there. Please, guys, pretty, please. Holy crap. How did I, what? Oh, from memberships, I think. Sorry, all right, guys, I'll pull up the music here. YouTube. Yeah, guys, so like, what do we even talk about with Codex? Like, is that even in the world still? All right, sorry, I'm just freaking out because there's no music. Volume 3. There we go.
As the world races
oh, I got ads. Oh,
government will use
hideous.
advantage.
Oh, and it's a Canadian government ad. Ugh. Okay, hour 27, that's been cooking. Woof. All right, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. How you get Grok? It's offered at $99 for 3 months. Try OVG, that almost $300 on the top plan. I'll take a look because I'm almost pretty serious about becoming a Grok user. All right, bear with me, y'all. Everyone's sleeping on Codex. It's just, it's not getting the hype, man. It's not getting the hype. I don't know. I'm not in love with it. I ain't so in love with it. $100 already feels awesome. Feels amazing. All right, where's the freaking music? Oh, it was muted. Whoops, sorry guys. And I'll turn that down because it's way too much. All right. And guys, remember, I'm going to be awfully... Come on, we're so close to 1840. Two more y'all to change that. I know we can. All right, Grok. Oh yeah, so we are considering purchasing. I was taking a look at something on my YouTube analytics. 3 months for $99 and you get videos. That could be interesting. And if it's essentially like the equivalent of the $300, then I don't see, like, if they're doing a promo, like, there's no reason to not using it. You feel me? Like, we might as well go for it then, guys. You feel me? Yeah, they love Codex. Yeah, a lot of people love their Codex. I don't know. Is there money laundering involved? Who knows? Okay, Nightbot is back. Cool. Still waiting an hour and a half on that one. You can't run out. Simple enough. We're going to Grok it then, guys. We're going to Grok it. I'm going for it. Super Grok, sure. Now, hold on. Okay, this is what it says. By the way, Super Grok heavy. That's way too much money. I can't afford that one, obviously. But which is the one that you get access to? Larger team of agents collaborating. Like, where are you guys seeing the... Like, what if I said Grok bot? Show me the money. Try for free. Because that's what I'm excited about, is Grok bot. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, I forgot. It's involved in Cursor. Like, you get Cursor Ultra. But where are you guys seeing it's $100 a month for 3 months? Grok Heavy, get it for $99. What do I do, guys? What do I do? And is Grok bot something completely separate? It says your AI teammate. Get started for free. So I can download Grokbot on Windows, whatever. I'll just get started on that. On the top, try for free. Yeah, so it's downloading here. Early beta, Grokbot is here. Try it with your phone, get 99. I'll just get set up here. Guys, this is very exciting. All right, we'll run through all that. Grokbot. So September I was due start paying the $20. They made another deal a couple days ago offering me $4.99 a month to subscribe to the $20 plan. Both accounts just wild. Let's freaking go. Okay, we're downloading Grokbot. It says we can use it for free. I don't know how much that's going to involve on the free. Wasn't too impressed with Grokbot yesterday. Interesting. I might like sit back and watch some reviews of it. Okay, I got Grokbot. We'll get signed in here. Still waiting. Waiting an hour and a half on that puppy there. Finish the note and run the suite. Like, I didn't even tell it to like review it big time. Get access with Super Grok Heavy. Alex Finn made a video about it. So right here, that's where it says, get started with Grokbot. 1 week trials free, credit card required. Limited usage. Get Ultra, $200 a month. Access to all features, generous usage. And then obviously here is Super Grok Heavy. So what would I do here? Like if I linked Grok account, authorize cursor. I don't know what to do, guys. Tree City just finished streaming, guys. Welcome in, my man. Relink. The offer requires an active Super Grok Heavy subscription on your linked Grok account. I don't. Yeah, well. Yeah, obviously. Okay, there's not much I can even do here. Oh. I could just open Grokbot. Has anyone played with Grokbot yet? I just want to make sure, like, if I'm buying Grok usage, I want to play with Grokbot. You feel me? Start for free. You do have to authenticate through cursor. Okay. I guess we would just do it. Setting up Grokbot's computer. Oh my word. This is wild, y'all. It's just a regular desktop agent setup. Nothing special in my opinion. And it needed the $200 cursor subscription. Is a $200 cursor? Look, but here's the thing, like a cursor subscription. Guys, I've never actually played with cursor, but like, is there good value in having a cursor subscription? What's the hype behind Grok? It is a very intelligent, fast, cheap model. Oh, it's just taking forever to boot up. Setting up Grokbot's computer. Well, in the meantime, while that works, guys, let's do some study questions, all right? Let's play. All right. So, okay, this is something I wanted to highlight to you guys, because there's a lot of haters that we get that are like, well, not haters. There's people that are concerned about CoLateral. They're like, you know, like you hold a lot of liability, right? And like if their building falls down, like how are you going to ensure that CoLateral is going to be the issue? When you become like, I'm taking this examination to become a professional engineer. One thing that I need to know is that the software user owns the output, not the vendor. It is my duty to deal with the output how I may. It's as simple as that. So CoLateral, like I don't own it. I don't own it. So right there. Defendant must prove failure to mitigate. Like I was confused about this because I was like, huh? Innocent until proven guilty though, you know? Can you explain to me this one? I start off with Cursor before I switch to Claude Code. It's cool. I like Claude Code better. The new 4.6 Grok. They're releasing 4.7, I think, pretty soon too, guys. I'm pretty sure, eh? Rockbot's still setting up there, though. Just gotta be patient. Just grabbing some water, guys. I ain't going too far, don't worry. Remember, if you are new to the channel, I want to do some push-ups. We're only 2 subscribers away from a big round of that. All right, I'll be back. All right. You have to fail. The opposing party did not attempt any mitigation prior. We have similar breach warranty policies. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, Claude is saying here about who has to do the proving. When someone gets sued, the duty to mitigate. If someone breaks a contract with you or injures you, you can't just sit back, let the damage pile up, and send them the bill. The law expects you to take reasonable steps to keep your losses small. That's mitigating. Expects you to take reasonable steps. If a supplier fails to deliver steel for your project, expected to go phone another supplier. You're not allowed to shrug, let it sit idle for the next 6 months, and sue for 6 months of delay. Okay. I see. But hold on, is that saying the defendant must prove failure to mitigate? Interesting. Who proves it? Yeah, step 2, the trap. Who proves it? 2 people in the room, the plaintiff, the one who got the wrong to sue, and the defendant, one who broke the contract, is getting sued. Intuitive guess is that the plaintiff has to stand up and say, look, I did everything I reasonably could. Losses. That's interesting. That's interesting. Same reason we have our consumer rights on debts. If you ignore a debt for 7 years, they can't go after you legally here. The reasoning is that the courts want companies to take action early. I see. And they're showing like pretty similar example about a steel delivery. I see. Okay, that's cool. Huh. That's something I never knew. So I'm glad we're learning it here, baby. And like we said, guys, we will get back to the vibe code in just a moment, but oh my word, the longest prompt in the world, baby. Load up that invitational, baby. You know it. 2 more sleeps. 2 more sleeps, and then we're there, baby. Get up, get active. Patrick Anthony 1470. Make sure you like the stream. It does wonders here, y'all. Does absolute wonders. Grokbot is on its way. We can start our trial here for free. Your team of always on agents that finish the work. Guys, the future is now. Okay, I might have to just like get this ready. Our battle will be legendary. All right. Free, activate trial. The only thing, it's free, but it requires my credit card here. So I gotta be cautious. I'm nervous. I'm in danger. I am human. All right, all right, all right. Oh, we got 40 viewers in here. We gotta... Let's get active, y'all. Whew, how are we making revenue? Money laundering. Ready to capture that screenshot? Here we are. Meet Grokbot. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. Look at that. I'm going to blast my first putts, baby. I'm blasting them. No one is getting a read off me. Oliver, what is up? That's amazing. Grokbot has its own computer and works just like you. Gets better as we go. Guys, that was the one complaint that I've always had is Claude is working away on my computer. I'm like, bro, I'm working here. And now Grokbot has its own computer. Give each bot a job. Invoice chaser, weekly stand-up, sales forecast. Seriously, guys, holy smokes. The future is now, and you can connect it to so many plugins here. Canva, GitHub, Workspace, Slack, Notion, LinkedIn. Oh, boy. Wow. Yeah. I'll be cautious about canceling like Claude because I know Claude and GPT have a couple weeks to answer back with something similar. I don't know. They just don't have the compute for this though. Like this is gonna be wild. Oh my word, guys, we are in Grokbot. How do we begin? I could choose the color of the guy. What color? Ooh, what shape we want? This is awesome. We had 21 magnificent people decide to join our membership and become a basement buddy. And I'm very happy to have so many people support the channel here. So thank you guys so much. And that's how we made our first little bit of revenue. So yeah, feels great. Okay, let's have a red one. This could be YouTube guy. Like I want this guy to like manage my YouTube, my getting my team ready. Oh my word. And then like I could just throw in another bot, create new bot. I don't know. This guy could be like CoLateral buddy. How do I edit the guy? Hey Nick, fresh start. What do you actually want me on? The more specific, the faster I can be useful. Oh my word. This is awesome. Oh, my weekly usage is 0%. No, but because I'm just running for free on this, right? Channel work. So it already recognized YouTube, channel work, research scripts, whatever it is. That's awesome. How do we get this? Looks pretty nice. It is free. So this is just a free use that I'm using right now of it. So yeah, that's what we're playing with. And then yeah, I can connect to mobile. I might as well download the app, guys. I think I'm gonna be committed to it. I think we're gonna play with it. So there's Grok and now there's Grokbot. It's got 2 reviews on the App Store. I'm pumped. I'm pumped for this, baby. Let's freaking go. All right. What's the best way to like hand stuff off? It's like, I want you to take a look at our channel and look at all of our videos and see which ones we don't have descriptions or tags on. And I want you to see like how it could be copy and pastable to like from other videos where we could just copy and paste the description and all the tags to the videos that don't have any. So please proceed in doing this. My YouTube channel is Nick Van de Wettering. I want to see like how easy this can pick up on it. All right, scan every video, missing tags. We can copy. Equals that. I mean, this is something I would do on, what's it called? Claude Code. But let's see. And then obviously we have this other bot. I wouldn't make them red. I'd make them all different colors. Edit profile. This can just be our friend Buddy Bot. And it'd be blue. Circle. Nice. Oh, and you could generate an avatar and upload a picture. That is funny, guys. Have it set up walking through YouTube data API. I have my Hermes agent set up to download my stream and create the shorts every night at 3 a.m. It just does it. I approve the posts. Yeah, so I built like a capital command distribution center for managing all these, but like essentially, yeah, like this can kind of like a management system like this. It'd be cool if, yeah, we just get these bots to manage that. Third question, do you have enough to pull? Do you have enough pull to get us and Mr. Beast teams to be back to ball holes so we can have fun with our friends? I have no clue what that's asking. That is not a serious question. Pull to get us and Mr. Beast teams to be... Do you got ads now? I know! Do you see how much revenue we made? It was in one day. One day we made that, baby. It is awesome. And guys, 1838 subscribers. Oh, and we lost one. Ah, shucks. Ah, just the worst. Okay, let's see what this YouTube guy says. Found it, scanning every video. Yeah, this is great, guys. Oh, then you could see its screen. You could see its computer working away. I know, Sue, don't worry about Mr. Anthony. Tee off. On back-to-back holes, fellas. Sorry, I lost the plot like them 10, us 11. I can't be reading these. I can't. Okay, this one prompt, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to kill Warp. 2 hours it's almost been. 2 hours. So then right here, guys, look at this. Like, this is Warp, or sorry, this is Grok's computer here. And we can teach a task and it just gets better and better and better from there. Is this the Hermes killer? Maybe, like probably. It has its own computer, y'all. It'll do tasks for us. I seriously think a cursor subscription could very much be very valuable here. This could accomplish great things for us, guys. I'm very excited for what we can do here. The only thing is, oh, I don't like how it's doing that. You gotta like hover over that to see it's still working. Buddy Bot it is. Still whenever you got something for me. On Buddy Bot screens. Nothing right now. What's another thing to take a look at? I don't know what to do with respect to these because obviously it doesn't have context. Well, it's not to my code. This is literally just like everything for like YouTube and streaming that would be like pretty important with. The only thing is, it's like, guys, if it's not on my own computer, I kind of have like a security concern. You know, like you're giving SpaceX access to your YouTube. Like, okay. Okay. Pumped though. I seriously could go all in on this, guys. Okay, let's play around 10 more minutes of CoLateral. One thing that I definitely want to fix up, which probably this is the best way to do it. Where is my Orca? There we go. Orca. Okay, perfect. One thing is now that we're doing like this view, yeah, this is definitely broken. Hey, one thing is now that we're like doing arrays of the groups of cards, this almost makes folders irrelevant. I think maybe like when we have this one agent that's going to finish working on like zooming out to have full arrays of everything in CoLateral, like it should show like these sorted in the different folders. And then like, yeah, you can like focus in on the different folders and like that's the different array views. So let's fix it so we don't have like folders are redundant, okay? Folders are absolutely redundant, that's for sure. And also I don't like how we have like the different view of the arrays on the bottom of the screen. Perhaps this could just like kind of show at the top if we're like toggling between the different ones, like it kind of like fades in and out, iOS like animations and such. Anyways, yeah, folders are irrelevant. Get rid of them. Boom. Send that puppy off. Yes, proceed with that next prompt. Dun, dun, dun. I don't like this, how this says saved. Let's do another here. Get her going. Buzz is the Hermes killer. I've been using it the past few days and it's so sick. Basically like Grokbot, and I love it. I have it on my phone, MacBook, and Linux machine, so it runs 24/7 as my agent hub. That's awesome. The only thing is it's like, I think of, well, Grokbot, like I'm just thinking like, this feels, now that I have this here, I kind of feel a disconnect with the fact that it's like separate computers here. I almost feel like, I don't know, there's a lot of context to be given it. There's a lot of work to be doing and getting that up and at it. Where it's like, what can this really do for me? I guess like manage all my content being uploaded. But again, like, well, I guess, I don't know, like, can it connect to my... One question that I have for you, Grokbot, is, are you actually able to, like, connect to my local file? Like, for example, I have a Capital Command Distribution Center. It's my desktop application that I made. And I want to be able to, like, check, like I have my posts that I have uploaded there. Like, what can Grokbot do with my desktop application with respect to like my YouTube channel, my Instagram, etc.? Nacho, what is up, my man? The chicken, we vibe coded this from our phone. All standalone agent wrappers like Hermes OpenClaw are dying off anyways. Yeah, a little OpenClaw is dead for sure. Buzz is very new. I haven't even heard of Buzz, to be honest. I am kind of excited about the idea of Grokbot. Like I said, like there's good things and bad things about it having its own computers. Did you name the chicken? What you guys? What's a good name we should have for this chicken? Okay, once we do have that, I want you to verify that what we have schedule uploaded on our Capital Command Center is accurate with what is actually schedule uploaded on our YouTube and Instagram. Always allow, of course. I'm very curious to see, like, they did a good job. Just like Sarge said, like, give it for free and then get people hooked so they'll buy the real thing. I gotta say, like, if they give us a good amount of usage, like I can play with this for like next couple days and then they yank it away from me, they got me. They got me. Give it sunglasses. I will vibe code that on my phone. I will go to Orca. I will go to that Claude. And I will message it right here. Give the chicken sunglasses, make it a lot cooler, make sure it's not smiling. There we go. Sent that off. That's a GPT Codex session right there. It works in your computer, not a separate computer. I'm working on setting it up so overnight it does tasks to help me progress on my apps, wake up to pull requests. Okay, so it can still, like, Grokbot should still vibe code for you, is what I'm hearing. Like, it's still Grok agents, but it's just a nice, pretty interface that has its own computer. Is that essentially what this is? It's just like, I hear a lot of people still using their, well, it's because they're building stuff in their own ADEs. I just haven't seen enough on Grokbot. Like, people don't seem too ambitious about it just yet. I'm curious, guys. Wasn't there an OBS session where I asked about it? No. Hopefully that chicken will change pretty soon, y'all. Give it some glasses. Stevie Chicks. That's not bad. Wait, are you paying for Grok right now? No, we're just playing the free version of Grokbot, whatever's provided there. Okay, so I found my channel. It's still working. It's not loading up the computer yet. It's still blank. That's not a good sign. Teach it a task. YouTube. Nick Band ordering. Oh yeah. I should teach it to like the stream. Oh, we got an ad. Do I make money off this? Let's go. The one ad, how to learn Claude in 28 days. Oh, the irony. Subscribe. Oh, you'd have to sign in. Okay, never mind. There you go. I'll just send it right over here. And then there you go. Okay, that's the YouTube channel that I'm talking about. So yeah, go to that and then review exactly everything that I said about the descriptions. Dun, dun. 2 people on YouTube to follow. Riley Brown. So yeah, I know Riley Brown for sure. Alex Finn, I think I saw one video. Both made videos today saying Grokbot is like a game changer. Yeah, but do they say that about absolutely everything that comes out? Like, love Riley Brown, but he's like sweating in every single video. Like he's always wet. He's always sweating. And I'm like, this guy's really cooking in Codex. Can you have animation for when someone joins the channel, or is it just no? When someone becomes a member, it makes a big deal up here. It becomes a big deal. And yeah, we vibe coded that itself. It's spectacular. Okay, something else we could complain about in CoLateral. I don't like this whole title thing anymore, to be honest. Hey, the title that floats around and follows when we're inside CoLateral, I don't like it. I think we should just get rid of it when it's on the canvas. Oh, the chicken changed, guys. Look, it's got glasses now. Look at that. Woo! Mwah, 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 mwah. Love that. All right, cool. My coding is advancing each week. That's what it's all about. Keep improving, guys. The chicken will come crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was one thing I said I would quickly fix up is OBS. Oh, one thing that's annoying. DC, you can't see here because Look, it says they're all named Evaluate Grokbot. Oh, no, it's... Yeah, 5 agents. It's just based on which one that I'm touching, but they're all saying the same title. That's one thing I don't like about Orca here. No, yeah, I won't do too many over. The chicken's not permanent. That's just for today's stream. Don't worry, guys. We're not. No, the chicken has not. Don't worry. Don't get too attached to it, guys. We're gonna kill the chicken soon, along with Warp. I don't want this to be way too much stuff. Oh, Google's ad set documentation explicitly says that YouTube creators viewing their own videos should skip the ads so advertiser costs aren't artificially inflated. Oh, wow. Yeah, I tried to get it to fix the overlays there. Okay, this is a big problem. I don't know the titles of these, so like sometimes I don't understand. Okay, now look at my OBS overlay, and first of all, see the rectangle that you have for my YouTube subscriber count and my X subscriber count. That is Nacho! Let's go! Guys, we just got a new member. That's why you're asking. Let's freaking go, baby. Woo! Guys, big shout out to our newest basement bro. Oh, basement bro. Wait, not even basement buddy. Let's freaking go, Nacho. Basement bro. I have the freaking hat emoji. Let's go. Thank you, Nacho. You are the man. Thank you for joining the team here. I'm so happy to have you. Thank you for the support. Guys, huge W's in the chat for Nacho for his support of the stream. I appreciate it so much, Nacho. I will never forget about you. Even once we got up to 1.83 million subscribers, I'm always going to remember you, man. Thank you so much. Woo! All right. That is freaking awesome, guys. That is awesome. Make the chicken an event that appears during a trigger, like a sub or something. The chat top up left that you should make smaller. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna copy paste that, Sarge, because I agree with everything there. Fix this on my OBS overlay, please. Perfect. Huge W's to our newest basement, bro. Thank you so much, my man. Woo! All right, screw DeepSeek. Gonna clean that up. Why is my next prompt talking about that if this is about evaluate Grok versus Orca? Holy crap, we got another one here. New basement buddy, Westell boy. Woo! Westell! Oh my word. Thank you so much, my man. Another one has joined us, guys. I can't even count how many we're at right now. Thank you so much for joining in, my man. I promise to make you proud. Thank you guys for supporting us. This is unbelievable. I can't believe it. Like, and guys, we started this channel with 40 subscribers 1 month ago. 1 month ago. And I know a lot of people are discouraged about the new monetization partnership requirements that YouTube has put in place. I'm telling you, anything can happen. Just start today. Start your journey. Just in 1 month, guys, we have started like memberships on this channel. So you will be very surprised like what can come around in little short bits of time. Okay, just be patient. Just be patient. We got lucky here on this channel because y'all are animals. Y'all are animals. Absolutely crazy. But woof. Yeah. Sorry, I'm speechless. I'm kind of sweating even though I'm sitting down right now. I can't believe it. Thank you, guys. I promise to catch up on all of this. I promise. Okay, we got 6 updates from Grok here. Woo! I can't believe it. Thank you for joining. 2K's history soon. It's happening, baby. It's happening. Okay. What do we got here? Okay, this is YouTube guy. So the recording looks good. You search Nick Van der Water. Yep. Went all through 234 videos. These 6 don't have a real description. Empty. Okay. Yeah, because those are literally just like... Oh, we have a duplicate. Oh. Let me paste the description. Yes, I'll sign in. Okay, cool. Not too shabby. Love to see it. Undergrinder's going wild right now. Y'all are mad. I love to see it. Okay, found capital command. Cool, cool. And it's still working away. See, it's hard to tell like when this is working here. Like, move that chicken there. Okay, finally, like the chat on the screen here, you could see my headshots. There we go. You can see that. That's awesome. By the way, Claude is working away on doing some of the overlays here. Yeah, I would mess around with Grok. I'm curious about this for sure now. Oh my word. I was thinking like, oh, do I end the stream in just a little bit? I'm too hyped up, man. I ain't going nowhere, baby. I ain't going nowhere. YouTube guy needs you to sign in, of course. I'll just go here. This is unbelievable. 2 hours and 8 minutes. And all this is doing is kind of reverting back on what we just did. Pre-push, the full suite, but the push is slow. Yeah, that's not healthy. Woof. Oh, well, we'll figure it out. Let's freaking go, baby. Dun, 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 dun. All right. All right, all right, all right. Okay, well, sorry, what was I doing here? I just lost my train of thought. Oh, my word. All right, let's get back into it. Big, insane improvement. It's impressive. Dun, 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 dun. I'm contemplating, like, should I be logging into... Yeah, why not? Why not? What's the worst that could happen? Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Almost there, guys. What's our guy Serge saying here? Elon's making moves. You know it, Nacho. His early adoption of the idea and his involvement in shite coins, it's hilarious. He's just catching up to flagships now. Yeah, like Grok's been so behind. It was always a joke for the longest time. Also, let's think not money, not an issue, data sets. Dude owns X. Yeah, he got money. Dun, dun, dun. Hold on. You just want to browse and watch in. Yeah, okay. So I think if we're trying to automate some stuff for our YouTube channel using Grokbot, guys. Sorry, I was just playing. I just realized we're not on the right screen. Oops. Best thing to do is probably just to set up YouTube data API. I'm not gonna bother logging in. I don't know. But then again, like when you're on a virtual computer, Grok should be ahead of Fable. Like this is SpaceX we're talking about. They have so much ahead of Anthropic. Anthropic was the little guy at one point. Well, their valuation's way up there with ChatGPT now. What bonkers, guys. Sorry, just playing around. But yeah, I guess I won't sign into my YouTube studio from these bots. But yeah, I don't. We'll just. Can I just complain to it and say, hey, honestly, I don't feel comfortable logging in to my YouTube account on your itty bitty computer there. Is there a better way in which we could do this via like YouTube API data authentication? Steven Nader, what's up, my man? Came from memberships and a little itty bitty amount from people watching these live streams, monetization, etc. Fable's just so expensive that it's not practical. That's my problem I'm coming to now. And slow, right? Oh, what happened to our YouTube count? I guess it's still working away. Yeah, guys, I might be, if we like have good usage of Grokbot, like if they let us use it for the next 7 days, I'll go in on it for sure. I'll go in. Like Fable is better. I just don't find practicality in it right now. Oh, you see it made my YouTube count really small. Side there. Hopefully it's not done that there yet. Yeah, it's still working on the overlays. So we'll take our time. Oh, and I got to do, once we have a good foundation of making sure this orchestration and the agents look good in CoLateral, we will do some demo videos pretty soon, guys. Have that up on the website. Oh, look at that! New member! Pixel? I haven't seen it pop up here. What? 5 memberships? Holy crap, the chicken worked. I think it's just doing 6. Okay, it's just doing tests. I got lied to. It was just testing there, guys. Okay, there's the chicken. Let's freaking go. All right, it works. Or, you know, no, because those are all random. Okay, never mind. That's pretty cool, eh? Chicken. All right. How do you want to authorize? Ooh, on my phone could be cool. Script on my computer. This is interesting. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's not a lot of usage. Weekly usage. We went from 0. Sorry, you notice how like Claude goes from 0 to 100. Codex goes from 100 to 0. Grok goes from 0 to 100 as well. So I got confused there. So we used 42% already. Obviously in just the free amount. Which isn't enough for what we're trying to accomplish here yet. But guys, at least like there's a mobile app that we can play around with on Grok. So it's like I have a lot of usage for this. Pretty cool. I should ask my... Capital Command Center. I demand capital. Grokbot. YouTube guy. Sent one text file. What do I do with this? Oh shoot, I'm getting tired. That's not bad for free. Most AI you run out of in like 5 turns. Yeah. First time I started playing with like Claude in the new times, and oh boy, it was just brutal. What's your code base is stuff you understand? I understand absolutely none of it, honestly. Mr. Thomas. That understands you emotionally. Oh, that's the key part. Get Red Bull and code something, you lazy Canadian. Come on, Tom. Come on. Well, look, I really wanted this one thing to come out, but it's been waiting 2 hours. I'll get my Capital Command Center cooking. Say something along the lines of, hey, I just want you to review all the content that's going to be uploaded and published for tomorrow, that being August 14th. I want you to send a sub agent to review this content and alert and notify me if you think any of the content is not good enough, or there's any duplicates, or there's anything that should be alerted before it gets uploaded. And yeah, give me a quick rundown on what gets uploaded from the Capital Command Center. That's already got it. There we go. Perfect. Slow puss. We're all Canadian at heart, aren't we? Aren't we? Oh yeah, Handy downloaded that. Yeah, right control. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh, and it has like the little transcribe thing at the bottom. It's kind of slow though, eh? I had something with Handy where it's like it didn't have this. Oh goodness, that's awful. Let's try that again. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Didn't even pop up that time. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it caught testing, 1, 2. And it's still loading. That's not good. Swag in a bag is always super cool. I don't like this at all. Uh-oh. Oh, Tuppy, are you using Handy? Omer Yurt 7 is awesome. I don't like this overlay. Before it was a bit better. What the heck is this talking about? Just wants me to sign in. Buddy bot. What's still wrong? Okay, so this looked at correction. The live app is running. This is talking about like what's up to date here. What discrepancies are there in my command center to what's on YouTube? I'm confused here. What's still wrong? 6 YouTube ID capital command calls published. YouTube 404 as it's started. Oh, of course you can't confirm. Well, why can't you confirm? You know my YouTube. Oh, well, obviously, no, it can't. I'm an idiot. And we're trying to see, like, enable it. Can you take over my computer and do this yourself? Oliver, we're doing well. I'm kind of getting tired, I'll be honest. Whoa. At what point does it become art? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It's all subjective. Quantity is not subjective. So that's why we just pump out as much as we can. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, finally, Handy got a bit quicker there. I'm a bit more proud of this, to be honest. That's pretty good. You know what? Handy is faster than Whisperflow. Handy is faster than Whisperflow. Kind of the same speed. That's pretty good, guys. It just took a few seconds to boot up, but that's awesome. Sweet. Drink a Red Bull. I gotta work tomorrow. I got a big day. 2 hours and 21 minutes on doing a quick little... I don't know what was the big issue here. Okay, we can now kill warp, guys. I gotta make sure everything else. Oh, if there was something that like required my attention on an no, nothing else, guys. We are gonna uninstall warp because we have moved over to Orca. I believe in Orca. I believe. Quit and code full time. That's if good things come out of this, and I believe they will, it's only a matter of when. It's only a matter of when, Tom. Don't you worry. What is this stream about? What are we making? We are making like 5 different apps right now. It's pretty ridiculous. We're also testing out Grok. This is my social media distribution center where all my shorts, everything on my channel gets uploaded, scheduled, ready to rumble. But we're also playing with some Grok. Grokbot. So we're playing with that there. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. Grokbot. Sign into Grokbot. Okay. We'll get signed in. I'm getting signed in on my phone. Gonna play around with it a bit on my phone to see what it can accomplish there. This is awesome. It doesn't feel like we accomplished much, but I'm pretty happy with what... I mean, we switched to Orca, which I feel like has less problems than Warp. Warp's been killing us. It kind of feels better already, to be honest. And there's a mobile version on here, so that beats Warp big time. And then Grokbot. That's a step in the right direction, at least. Yeah, there's so much crap going on that we gotta get ourselves organized in this world. Feels good though. Revenue source so far, just all the support from our beautiful members here and a little itty bitty amount of YouTube revenue. So if you saw an ad here, thank you so much for watching that and yeah, supporting the channel. How do you make sure they give the final polish? You just say go over the Git repo or local files over and over until it can't find anything. Yeah, like that. The one beauty about loops, you can pass it off to like another agent, for example, just to review that work. There we go. I'm signing on my phone now. Let's freaking go. Let's see if I can send something off right now. Well, is it even able to new group chat? You can make a group chat. Guys, you can make group chats in this so then they talk to each other. What's YouTube guy doing? CLI download is in. That's working. Okay, group chat. Look at that, guys. It made a group chat. And I'll just type in here. How's it going, y'all? Yeah, this really does just feel like a Hermes killer, eh? Great routine. Oh, my word. Obviously, this is still like in a beta launch, but one thing I wish this would do is kind of like, I'm a little lost in terms of like what I should set up on Grokbot. It would be cool if it like kind of walked you through some suggestions, gave you like some suggested prompts and suggested routines. But I guess I have all of this to pass on. What we vibe coding, we're playing around with Grok right now, getting Grokbot into our workflow here. Overlay so much better, the 29 push-ups to do. Move right aligned instead of left aligned. Thank you, Sarge. I'm gonna prompt that. Yeah, that looks pretty clean, I'll be honest. OBS, this one. Oh, come on. I copy pasted Sarge's comment. There we go. There we go. On Fable 5 and Soul. Just seems like a never-ending loop. LOL. Oh, it never ends. Never ends, baby. I just said, how's it going, y'all? And it's still like thinking. That's not like, I thought this would be instant. Or did I run out of usage already? Sign is lettering. Cool. What do? You download Orca, O-R-C-A, and you get all these agents cooking together. And then Grokbot for a nice little pretty place. But I just asked, how's it going, y'all? YouTube guy's trying to answer it. Casual hello from the user in the group. I'll keep it short. Like, this is such a robot right now. Waiting on the next message. Oh, BuddyBot's answering now. Yeah. Is there something where... Okay, based on everything that you know about me, what are some uses that I should bring over to Grokbot? Based on everything you know about what Grokbot can accomplish and what I'm trying to accomplish in my life, managing, of course, streaming, YouTube channel, all those social medias, trying to learn vibe coding, trying to market CoLateral, etc. Even stuff I could do for like, well, I won't involve my full-time job just yet, but everything I'm trying to accomplish, what are some things that I could like just paste right over to Grokbot to help me get started in getting that all up and at it in my life? Well, probably I could just have Claude Code set up my Grokbot, hey? Not knowing how much usage you have is like shiting your hand and clapping. Yeah, well, it tells you right here, weekly usage, we're at 59% for the week. They got us on the free trial for sure. I might be hooked enough to play with it. That was on the to-do list anyways, guys, so yeah, come on. Oh, we just crossed the threshold for 1840, baby. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I got some push-ups to do, don't I? All right, I'm gonna pull up my... Oh, by the way, actually, I want to show you guys this. Take a look. Our YouTube channel analytics in terms of... so I'm Canadian, by the way. So the amount generated is in Canadian dollars. Take a look, y'all. And this is not up to date with as of today. This might have been as of like halfway through yesterday. But $69.42 American, baby. Love to see that. Thank you guys so much for your support on that YouTube stuff, baby. So thank you guys. Thank you. I'm going to pull up my push-up counter, which keeps getting taken down. No, I have it. We got it, guys. All right, we'll do some push-ups. I suppose we're due. I just can't find it. I have so many tabs open. So many tabs. Shame on you, Nick. And then I'm going to spend a little itty bitty time. So I'm going to have Claude Code try to see like what's the best way to set up my Grok bot. And then yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of studying. Push-up counter. There we go. All right, push-ups coming right now, y'all. Thank you guys. Not tracking. What's the matter? There's always something, guys. There's always something.
Adding 1 to the number.
Please do not stop.
Sheesh.
Do not perceive me weak.
He is him. Emotional damage.
The Riz is in the reps.
Applause.
Bruh.
The Riz is in the
damage.
reps.
Warning.
Repeat until further.
Cardio has entered.
60 more and I sleep.
Sheesh.
That was.
Big brain, this unit is proud. New personal record, 1%. Your arms are shaking.
Gravity.
Cardio has entered. Legend. Applause.ex. Sheesh.
Congratulations.
He is
Let's
him.
go. The Riz is in the reps, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Foot camp for free? Absolutely. Y'all know what's up. Whoo, feels good. Oh my word. Thank you guys. Get on that Amazon Prime ASAP. What's on Amazon Prime? Like like Mr. Beast, like Beast Games? Woo! All right, let's get back to it. Guys, my cardio's been sucking lately. I don't know if I was like starting to get sick recently, but woo! It's the first time I've seen that. Oh, come on. I tried to cancel Super Grok and they gave me 3 months for $10. Of Super Grok? Holy shoot. Music just went out, so we'll add that up. Once again, guys, we're up to 1842 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. Y'all know what you're doing. All right. Just gonna close a lot of these here. Oh, and here's the chicken. Here's the chicken that works away, baby. Bok, bok. So whenever we got a new member, boom. Just like that, new chicken thing. Pretty cool, pretty freaking cool. All right. All right. Where is the music? That is a great question, you guys. I gotta make some more of this stuff. It's coming out too fast, eh? All right. Volume 2. Sure, why not? Oh, I'm watching my own ads. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. We're back. It's actually working now. Huge W. And did it right justify? There we go. Okay. We are so back, guys. Okay, what did this suggest? Sponsor an opportunity watch. Okay, so these are all the use cases based on what it knows about me. What it should set up. For the Grok bots here. reply and comment. Yeah, I do want to reply to you guys, but I want it to be authentic. Content scouting for the stream. Yeah, sure. We could always improve. Collateral market and lead scanning. Sure. All right, let's get building on these. You have access to my computer. Get on it in terms of setting up Grokbot for this. Exactly. Let's freaking go. All right. Wait, okay, so the group chat has been popping off. Wow, it took a long time just to answer, say, hey, how's it going, y'all? Pretty good. Mid-fix on Nick's YouTube descriptions. Still videos need the collateral paste, waiting on Google on his machine. How you been? Pretty good. Just got stood up tonight. I stood up BuddyBot here. Google Auth on its machine is the worst. I'll stay out of your way. Well, a lot. Oh, I keep whisper flow. I got to get used to handy. Well, a lot more is about to come your way, guys. So get ready for big things coming to Grokbot. Thanks to Claude Code, your arch enemy. They don't know what's coming. Welcome to the crib. Oh yeah, the duck in the background. It's something you got to look way deep into. All right. What was I taking a look at here? What did I just say I was going to do? What was I just about to do? So Grokbot is getting set up. Oh, I do want to study a wee bit. Okay. Let's take a peek, y'all. Let's do quick study. Where are ya? Grokbot. Where the fudge nuts? Oh. There it is. Okay. You good, cursor. Goodbye, collateral. Okay. All right. A bad bargain is not frustration. Could you please elaborate on what this means to me in the context of ethics for engineers? Tell me, please. Tell me. What does this mean in the context of ethics for engineers? Oh, wow. The Grok agents are very open to it. 6 missing descriptions. Yeah. Got the 6. We're ready. Send the Claude code stuff when it lands. This is cool having like a group chat of Grok bots here, eh? Like yeah, it's like having our little own Slack group chat here. Nice. All right. Grok don't care about ethics. No way, Jose. Okay, so what's this saying about a bad bargain is not frustration? Frustration here has nothing to do with being annoyed. It's a legal term. What? It's that mix-up is half the reason this card is flagged as a trap. Frustration, the contract is dead because the world changed. Interesting. Something happens that nobody caused and nobody could plan for. And it makes the job radically different from what was agreed. Not harder, different. Classic example. You contract to build a site, and a new law makes building there illegal. Or the building you were hired to renovate burns down, yada, yada, yada. A bad bargain is not frustration equals losing money on the job doesn't get you out of it. Okay. That's all it's saying. So frustration has to really be like an external world thing. Try out Grok unhinged mode. I've tried like they have like animated like e-friends. You could get like an e-girlfriend on Grok. That's pretty mean. What are you doing, bro? What is your idea? Our idea is to build an empire one brick at a time. We're currently studying for my engineer ethics exam using this vibe coded study hall that we made. We're having Grok bots talk to each other. Claude Code is working on prompting away at those puppies to set them all up. It's an MD file, it looks like it's just making, so hopefully I could just paste that there. I don't know if these agents could actually work inside of changing these, but we got a lot to play around with. I think we are gonna go all in with Grok here. I am pretty much done 64% for the weekly there. I think we're just gonna go for it. Grok's a good model, and y'all know how much I complain about speed, and Grok is gonna help us with all of that. Okay, I double take and pause for a moment. I thought the stream was a joke until I saw you rigged a stream goal via counter push-ups computer. Now I realize the joke is on me. We ain't got no jokes here, Thomas. We ain't got no jokes. This is the place to be, baby. /copy and a markdown previewer website to read your long Claude responses. Use / in a markdown preview. Oh, like, so instead of me like scrolling through this, then I just do like a /copy, like /copy, full response. And then I just read a markdown somewhere. And then it's just, that seems like an extra step, but like sometimes I know it's not great reading this. I support you, bro. I hope you succeed. Thank you, my man. I promise to make you proud. Don't you worry. We ain't going nowhere. All right. Oh, hold on. Yes, your goal since like Monday was to make volume 7 and schedule upload it. So schedule upload it for tomorrow. Make all the bops, please. There we go. Eric, what's going on? Good to see you here. We have like 5 different things on the go. Studying for my exam, the structural engineering application, Rock bots in a group chat talking to each other. So many things on the go. You don't want to get anywhere lost in this sauce. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the beautiful progress that we're making here. When you're a billionaire, can I have $1 million? I gotta help out my friends here somehow. Like, you guys are the OGs of something spectacular happening. So something good will come your way. I'll leave it at that. As the patron saint of living in mom's basement, you're a true OG nerd wizard. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you. It's an absolute honor to hear that from the patron saint. When the job goes underway financially, temptation is claw back money somewhere. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. All right, so this stage 2 here, I don't know what that stage 2 is representing. Ethics. So law for professional practice was pretty hard. Professionalism's just like, come on. Oh, they tell you right here. Topic 3 and 4, 27 to 32 questions on the exam, 23 to 28 there. Frick, professionalism's only 7 out of 10, or 7 to 10. And that's the easiest one. Frick. All right, so section 2 is ethics. Finds abroad facilitation except. Oh, I remember we searched this up. I have no clue what this talks about now. My brain is fried, guys. I've been vibe coding so hard that I choose not to memorize anything anymore. Finds abroad facilitation exemption repealed. Oh, this is just basically saying that you can't chirp other government workers, but you used to be able to, but they got rid of that. Code blends several theories, not one. Yeah, this is like the different philosophers. I should take a look at that. Let's see what they say here. Just pay for my subscriptions. Once I become a billionaire, I'll start paying for all my minions subscriptions. Ethics are what institutions use to justify their lack of morals. That is one of the things they always say. What's the difference between ethics and morals? It's like ethics, just like the set rules. Let's set rules in place. Okay, so this said it was done. This next prompt always has nothing to do with. That's the chicken thing. Okay, we're done with the chicken. It's done. I'll do that. Browser tools. I couldn't finish the setup. What? It's behind a paid subscription, so no free tier. No, I literally have the desktop application. Like, is there something that I could feed into it and then maybe it can work on itself? Like, I thought you were doing an MD file. Oh, you literally did. I see it here. Okay, I don't know if I can literally just... Okay, so this gives everything. It's pretty short, to be honest. Let's see what that does. Hey, this is the MD file that Claude gave me, so I don't know if you guys can actually go ahead. Please spawn in like more agents to actually set all these things up so that I have good use of Grokbot here moving forward. Let's go. Matson says, am I a minion? Oh, Matson, I thought, yeah, I did see you sent me something on Discord. I just forgot to open it. It was pretty chaotic trying to get on stream today. I'll take a peek at that soon. All right. Let's get these guys working away. Okay, back to our study hall here. Utilitarian. There's mill. So the greatest good for the most amount of people. Milli WAP. So just, I don't know. Everyone loves WAP. Wet bum P word, as Ben Shapiro would say. Deontology can't. What's my duty regardless of how it turns out? So can't's like, I can't do that. I got to do only what I want to do. So that's the way to remember it. Aristotle's a virtue signaler. What a person of good character would do. No, I just got to remember that somehow. And Locke. John Locke, rights-based duties, whose right to safety, consent, or truth is at stake. So lock and loaded, like whatever your duty is, you're locked in on that. That, I don't know. I got to try to memorize something here. You study for undergraduate degree? No, this is for my ethics exam so I can get my professional engineer license, baby. Try the new Grok model. Yeah, we've been playing the new Grok model, and we've also been playing with Grokbot here. We have a group chat. Look at that. It is making new bots here. All right, that's awesome. Cool. YouTube guy. Yeah, the best way to do it, guys, if you are setting up Grokbot, just get Claude to give you an MD file and shove it in here, and they'll get at it, I suppose. Pretty cool. All right. Yeah. I might see... Oh, yeah. All right, we got to kill that. Okay, this is all amazing. I think, like, actually, you should probably just give me a big MD file that I should give to Grokbot. So it has a lot more context on me. And furthermore on other things that we should be accomplishing using Grokbot. Yeah, give me the best MD file you can to get Grokbot, like, up and at it as soon as I wake up tomorrow, baby. Let's freaking go. All right. I'll go just ask some questions about your internet situation. Yeah, it's been brutal. I don't know. It goes on and off, guys. Weird stuff. Dun, 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 dun. I do love the whole like group chat thing here with Grokbot. I think this is the Hermes killer. The Hermes and OpenClaw killer. This still is my mother's basement. It is quite nice, I know. It is quite nice. They're on 3, you're holding the rest. Are they done talking to me? Hey, I need you to spawn the rest here. Come on now. Don't be lazy, guys. I like the group chat, like talking to 2 bots here. Kind of cool. Nick wants the rest spawned. All right, there we go. It spawned them. Opportunity Watch, Vibe Digest. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is the new way of having it. This is the new way of having it. And then these bots, like, I wonder, like we said, yeah, they can actually go ahead and do pull requests, connect to your GitHub, etc. Right? But in terms of like the connection that I have with like my Claude code agents and these Grok agents, like I want some passability between these. So this wasn't able to connect to the Grok agents, but this is able to, I don't know, can it connect to this? I don't know. I'll have to play around with it, guys. You think I'll be left behind if I don't represent myself on social media? My man, you should get started today on representing yourself on social media, because in February, YouTube is about to make monetization, join the partnership program, a lot harder. So you have a few months to get at it starting today. If you say I'm going to start tomorrow, you're going to say the exact same thing to the next day, the next day, the next day, and then you end up with all these years of where you could have been growing your channel, could have been growing your social media. All that time's gone. The best advice is just get started. Just post cringy content. Try to make 100 videos as fast as you can. Ouch. Water is spicy. What app are we building? Couple things all at once. CoLateral. Gosh, these are awfully slow. 1 hour. There's something up with this, actually, I must say. Canvas top bar, perfect. Hey, there's something up, man, because every time I do a CoLateral prompt with Claude, like, they take 1 hour minimum. I just had one that I thought would be a quick, like, fix up. It took 2.5 hours. What's up? Like, what's taking so long on all of these terminals here? Are you able to actually, like, review all these terminals and, like, all of these requests inside of Claude Code and send sub agents to review, like, what could be the slow parts of what's taking so long here, and find and execute a plan to reduce the amount of time that these Claude agents take on CoLateral here, please? Pretty wild. Okay, this is ridiculous. This it keeps saying blocked. It's the one thing I can't unblock. Guys, I think Suno is blocking us from doing AI bops here. Generate the 22 volume 7 sounds in Suno and download both takes of each. Oof. 10:41. All right, we'll be streaming for 20 more minutes, guys. Kind of getting a bit tired here, but no excuses, baby. Keep it coming. Keep them coming. Good to see you guys here supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for sticking it out late night with us. Love to see everything you guys do to support. Suno hates APIs and bots. Yeah. It was doing it. You were risking your Suno account. Like, I got through volume 1 through 6 with Claude, okay? And it keeps blocking, so we'll see how this goes, and then if that's the case, like, we'll see. But yeah, like you said, $10. Driver, loving the ship it. Oh, it's not popping up. Ship it doesn't pop up. Okay. I'm gonna fix the OBS overview. Hey, take a look at the screenshot. Oh, it came back. It's just slow and popping up. The like membership icons and stuff. I noticed that like on the chat overlay, they still don't show up the like the emojis and the emoticons, whatever. But then they pop up like 20 seconds later. Can you have it where it like pops up instantly in the chat overlay, please? Paul, what's going on? How are we, mate? Oh, loving life, my man. Loving life. Absolutely loving it. Guys, we'll be streaming tomorrow. There's no worry of that. This is Orca. This is the ADE that we're working in here. Codes blend several theories, not one. Yeah, so we were talking about John Locke. John Locke, everyone has their own duty. Aristotle's a virtue signaler, so just do good. Mill's utilitarianism, doing the best good for the most amount of people. And who was the last guy? Can't. What's my duty? Can't do anyone else's. Rock on. Rawls. Oh. Would I accept this if I didn't know which person in the story I'd be? Oh, that's cute. Okay, we do have a Suno session up there, so there might be a chance. I'm the homeless vibe coder, my vibe coding in the car, living with 2 dogs. Let's go. John Locke, like from Lost. The philosopher John Locke. Okay, so we got the several theories. You learn these 5. You look at the code of ethics, and it's numbered a list of rules. So what's the catch here? That's the bait. Okay, you would think can't. It's like, what's my duty? No, it's like a mix of everything that you have to think of. Okay. If a question asks what theory it's grounded in, don't pick a single one. Yeah, you got to pick like plural. All right, cool. Job save versus small risk is act utilitarianism. Yeah, because utilitarianism is the greatest good for the most amount of people, so you got to do that versus small risk. Yep, so I think we get that. Paramount overrides, it does not balance. Yeah, like in the code of ethics, paramount is essential. It does not balance. What's balance what? Is what I'm curious about here. I'm curious what you're saying. Like, what are we to balance here exactly? Yeah, see, Whisperflow like just says sane when I said, I see what you're saying. And I promise you I sniped it pretty good. Let's go, guys. Nathan's app is in review. We're getting hyped. What are we vibe coding today? We got ourselves so many things. I highly recommend you like the stream, you subscribe to the channel, and stick around for some more beautiful vibe coding things coming around. Paint, what's going on? Morning, Paint and the other girls. Paint, we are playing with Grok here. I just gave Claude, or I told Claude, give me an MD file, and it's starting to sauce in all the different things for Grokbot here, baby. So hoping to get my life all organized, all inside of here. So yeah, beautiful things. Beautiful. Matheson says, as you can see, the tab is bugging. Get some hamsters, lol. How did we make $100? We do have beautiful people who became members of the vibe coding movement here inside the basement. All of our basement buddies. If you do want to support our channel, consider becoming a member. Enjoy all the benefits that come, and many, many, many more to come, y'all. Feels so good. Got it done. We won't clone these 4. You're spawning. Okay, can you confirm that these are spawned in now? I see a few, but I can't confirm if you got them all. Like, I'm kind of bummed that you don't tell me these things. You guys got to be more conclusive. We'll play around with these Grok bots for sure. Nice. Should tell Zico to make a no brain rot rule in the Discord. I did not. Is there a lot of brain rot in there? We have for sure made some movement. Nice, nice. Curious about this. Do we have 6 bots? Oh yeah, we got lots. We got a Morning Scout Vibe Digest. YouTube guy kicked me on. I'll send you a short vibe coding technique brief every Monday and Thursday at 8 a.m. Practitioners, not docs. One thing to try that day. Nothing gets posted. All right, give me an example of a Vibe Digest. Let's see it. So this is all what Claude suggested that we have set up. Comment. Okay, so this is where it connects to X in YouTube Studio. Yeah, here's the thing. Should there not just be like connectors, like plugins? Obviously, it should plug in, well, to my email, to X. Just make sure it's not actually gonna... Oh, yeah, I literally just added X there. That's awesome. Guys, there are so many connectors. Holy smokes. Life is a highway. Well, me trying to make a command center inside a CoLateral, like, it's literally just Grokbot. It's literally just Grokbot, y'all. This is insane. Yeah, you can just connect. Look at all these. Granola for meetings, email. A lot of these are kind of like AWS Amplify. Oh my word. Connect both. Why not? I just don't want to like sign in to a thing again. Like, why not just sign into the plugin? That would be the easiest. Oh, is this Zico? Should we be taking away Zico's permissions in the Discord? All right, guys, let's keep playing away with our Grok bots here. Just playing with this for the first time. We're taking a little break from, well, CoLateral is just so slow. So we got like all those prompts cooking away. And guys, I'm so happy to say we are officially done with Warp. Toodaloo. Yes, quit. We are done with Warp, baby. We are moving on to Orca. The biggest thing about Orca, I think that is amazing, is the fact that it just has its own mobile app. So keep my computer on, it'll keep cooking away. That is amazing. All right. First run is tomorrow. Weekday CoLateral lead scan is on. Okay, so this literally like weekdays. It finds leads to reach out to. Sure, why not? I think, yeah, we would just click X. It gets it connected, I'm pretty sure. This is fun, guys. I could spend a lot of time in Grokbot. Human layer, 12-factor agents. Okay, so this is like content that it could give me based on what's new. Well, what's the difference between this and a typical Claude schedule? Like, it's just nicer wrap in terms of it. Y'all feel me? Who knows? I mean, Zico's never here, and then he's just doing new rules that's not needed at all and pinging everyone. It's just unnecessary. Well, I'll have a quick word with him then. I haven't taken a look at the Discord in quite a bit. Which, by the way, if you guys are new, make sure you consider joining the Discord. Link in the description of our YouTube chat. Or, not, well, it should be in the description, but then it's also in our YouTube chat. Off the rise. Oh, no, I'm not Nick 20. That's the wrong one. Unbanned weathering, yeah. Here we go. Follow me on X if you haven't already, too, guys. How much is Claude? Is there a free version? There sure is a free version of Claude. Highly recommend you play with that and then slowly build your way all the way up to the max plan. It's inevitable. Oh, heavens. Well, guys, I will get Grok tonight. I will get Grok bot. Like when I get, hold on, when I get the $200 cursor, does that get me like all the usage I need of Grok 4.6 that we're talking about here? Hey, one thing I'm questioning here is like, okay, let's say you need to look this up. When I go for the full usage of Grokbot, should I like that requires me like subscribing to Cursor? Like, is that still gonna give me my CLI usage of Grok? We'll see. We'll see. Oh, guys, I'm getting tired. Oh, it hurts. Cursor 200 plan includes generous Grok 4.6 and $200 on API usage. Thank you, Nacho. That's what I was curious about. Financial scheme you're building here. Yeah, a pyramid scheme. There's anti-gravity ID. Yeah, I hear anti-gravity's getting cooking now. I dropped CLI, actually. I only knew ID now. Also, they just dropped a new model. Flash, that's right. All right, I'm gonna get through the two of these, and then, guys, I think I'm going to bed. I got really tired all of a sudden here. All right, yeah, see, these are taking way too long. Like, this is fixed drop-down menus. This is fixing drop-down menus from dark mode to light mode. Like, that's unbelievable. That takes an hour. And then this is removing redundant folders. Like, this is removing folders. So there's got to be something up there. Trading using AI. Oh, yeah. We could get into trading eventually. That could be another source of income for sure. All right. Yeah, I'm pumped when it comes to getting on Grok, guys. Let's get free API keys. Yeah. Matheson says something is up. Get my yeah, that's the goal. Pass on CoLateral and then c'est la vie. Do this full time. Like, here's the thing, guys. Now it's just like Grokbot. I was making like a quote unquote Hermes center, but it's literally Grokbot. So if I'm able to like sell CoLateral, as in like you have essentially Grokbot in the middle. And then your CoLateral is like all your structural engineering needs inside of just like an agentic workflow that we're trying to build here. That's what's magnificent. That's what will change the world. Guys, it's like, it's just like amazing how you try to vibe code something and then X like comes out with the best version of it so far. Yeah, Paint's having some problems with the Super Grok usage, eh? All right, so overrides means there is no scale. Balancing would mean treating that one weight on a scale. Why are they talking about scales? Overrides, it does not balance. List of duties, something like protect the public, be competent. Yeah. Then on top of the list, that is paramount true duty, holds paramount safety. Not a seesaw where you pile enough. Yeah, it just always. All right, well, that's easy enough. Faithful agent means loyal, not obedient. That's probably like definitional, being a faithful agent. Explain faithful agent in this context. Codex always the best for usage. Purgy, what's going on, my man? Hey, Purgy, if you've had cursor usage with what Grokbot has been released on a cursor plan, I don't know if you get it through school. Woo! It's something to play around with, man. You literally just have like group chats of agents talking to each other. Beautiful. beautiful. I'm gonna tonight. Oh, guys, we're up to 47 viewers. Let's go. Y'all are animals how late we play here. Remember, if you haven't already, like the stream, smash that thumbs up button. If you are completely new, make sure you subscribe. I'm pumped to see that this channel, I thought we had a little bit of we lost a little bit of viewership. No, y'all are showing up. Y'all are showing up. Yeah, Purgy, get Grokbot in your hands right now. We up next, baby. We up next. Specialized AIs? Yes, certainly. That is one way to put it. We are specializing. You got MIT with that offer too. Also, I'm using subscription mostly only for real-time voice integration in my app. You know it. Real-time is the GOAT. All right. So loyal means you generally serve the real interests. Yeah. Obedient means doing whatever the instruction says. 5-year-old version. A good friend doesn't help you do something dangerous just because you ask. They're still being a good friend, arguably, for the whole job. So they're loyal because they won't do anything. So faithful agent. I thought that was just some crazy legal term we had to watch out for. We up next, baby. We up next. Make sure you guys like the stream. Can we get up to 1860 subscribers tonight, y'all? Would love to see it. Oh, we will be making money. Don't you worry. Big time money. Massive things coming here, guys. I just got to study for an exam once we get this over with. Oh, yeah. Send an email to NVIDIA. You know it. I'll get Claude to quickly do that here. Trust. Hey, we got this recommended from one of our viewers in the chat. I agree with him. I really want this DGX Sparks. Please send them an email with everything that would be essential for them to know. Probably everything that they know about my YouTube channel. Yeah. Set me up for success in getting this DGX Sparks. Okay, I love using Handy because it doesn't pause the music when I prompt versus Whisperflow. Like, there's no setting where like now it mutes the that ruins a lot of the momentum we got. What exam are we starting for, Brody? I'm past it already. I wish I was too, but this is my ethics exam for becoming a professional structural engineer. So I got to do this, and then yeah, we're fully licensed. So I wish I was past it too, but we got one more big exam in our life, I suppose. Nick Bops. Okay, so this is good. It's been working for 22 minutes without stopping, so I have a good feeling that this is actually making the music. Yeah, finally hydrated. Okay, yeah, we're cooking. All right, we'll study maybe a couple more, and then I gotta go to bed, guys. Whew. But hate to go to bed when I see 42 viewers in here, y'all. Love you guys so much. Big money. The goal is to sell a revolutionary app to bridge the gap between AI and structural engineering. If we can do that, like I think this could be seriously massive. Massive. Okay, Faithful, I think we understand that. Okay, so now we got 3 questions on professionalism. Let's just go over these and then we'll have to go to bed, y'all. Stream tomorrow or party Friday? We will be streaming tomorrow. We're partying Saturday. So unfortunately, I won't be streaming on Saturday. I'm going golfing, guys, but here's the fun part. I will be recording our golf tournament. We're in a scramble tournament. So, and we're drinking. So it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be a mess, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna be recording it. I'll have an edited video to send and show you guys, hopefully for after the exam. So yeah, I'm super pumped. So yeah, here's the little schedule for you guys. Tomorrow, live stream, but I'm actually going up to my little trailer Friday night. So I'll be streaming until like, I don't know, like 9 o'clock, something like that, Eastern Standard Time. So we'll try to get like a 3-hour stream in. And then we will be off Saturday, but recording the video, of course. And then Sunday, we're streaming all day. Well, I'll get back, so probably start in the afternoon. And then Monday, we're off because I'm taking the exam. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be okay. So yeah, lots of fun stuff, guys. So remember, if you are new, love to have you join us here. Welcome to the future, baby. Just stumbled on your stream. What are you doing? Just curious. Studying for an exam right now. Fixing up our structural engineering application. Making sure that we have content all pumped out. Guys, there's so many projects. There's so many projects that we have on the go, guys. And this is just the beginning of, like we said, the bricks of our empire. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, my man. Thanks for asking. Best of luck. Yeah, we will need it. My golf swing is brutal. Play some tunes on the keyboard. I can't, or else I'll get a copyright strike. I'll have to play AI music for the time being. All right. Like we said, we'll just finish up those professional ones here. Salaried and diligent is not professional status. That is true. Yeah, professional status, just because you're on a salary. And then just because like you have a due diligence. Is there anything else to explain with this point? Then a bylaw can never exceed its act. Interesting. So the bylaw is like just made by an organization, but if that organization is based on an act, they can't break it. Like, I'm pretty sure that like acts are federally input, and then bylaws are just from like, I don't know, you could say like a municipality. What's the interface you're using in coding? This is Orca, O-R-C-A. We used to work in Warp, but Orca has a, oh, I didn't mean to open another one. Pinning it to my taskbar. There we go. Orca allows you to work away on your mobile device. So I could literally just be yapping to my phone and it'll take over my computer with all these sessions here. I can open up a Codex agent, Claude agent, Grok agent, whatever it is. I think that is marvelous. Really reduces the friction in vibe coding. Would highly recommend you download it for free. Oh, this is taking up to a minute to try to explain here. No discipline power over non-members. Yeah, of course. If you're not a member of the Professional Engineers of Ontario, like, there's nothing to get in trouble with. I'll be soon in trouble. Oh, guys, the email. I got an automatic reply. They say we aren't always able to respond to all inquiries. We do appreciate your interest. I'm very curious to see what this email says. View entire message. I hope it didn't say anything crazy. No, it's just automatic reply. I can't see it. All right, guys. So was it Nacho that said you should, who told me? Holy crap, it sent a pretty good email. My name is Nick. I run a build in public YouTube channel where I design, build, and ship AI assisted software live on stream. I'm writing to ask whether NVIDIA has creator seeding, review unit, or early access path for DGX Sparks. It sends my YouTube channel. Over 1,800 subscribers, 234 videos, 131,000 lifetime views. Let's go, guys. Wow, it sent a very good email. I see 2 M dashes though. But that was pretty good for just like grabbing a prompt literally from from the chat. So thank you. All right. All right, I think we got those guys. Yeah. Woo! All right, what a stream, y'all. I think we're going to end it there. I'm going to go to bed, but when I go to bed, I might actually buy some more grok. I might buy grok, and then I got to sit down and think about what we're going to do with my Claude usage, because it's racking up a lot of money, y'all. But hey, we're serious vibe coders. Like, we have to be on top of it all, right? So it's a business expense at the end of the day, right? So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this stream. I love all the support we got today. I still see 40 wild animals in this stream. We got a few memberships today. Y'all are just insane. Nacho, thank you so much for becoming a basement bro. To everyone else, thank you for becoming basement buddies. To all y'all who just tuned in, thank you guys for tuning in, liking the stream, subscribing to the channel. Y'all are seriously the best. We got many more push-ups to do tomorrow. We got much more to do with CoLateral tomorrow. We finally got these prompts done, but the prompt that's saying what's taking so long, I will be checking in on that on my phone at work. Shh, don't tell the boss, but hey, we got to check in on CoLateral. Yeah, I'm very happy with today, although it didn't feel like we accomplished a lot, like visually. Just the fact that we're now set up with grok. So get grok, because we're there. Now we're in Orca, like using our mobile device. Like the friction in vibe coding is reducing more and more, guys. Oh, this is insane. I'm just so friggin' hyped up for what's about to come, guys. We literally do it day at a time, brick by brick. Yeah, I'm friggin' pumped for what's about to come, guys. And I see a future where huge things are gonna happen to this channel, like massive. This is just the beginning, guys. So anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Of course, Master Moonslayer comes in as soon as we're ending the stream. Make sure you guys don't miss another one. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, become a member if you are curious. But I would say just become a member for the next stream so that we could get freaking crazy when you join in. So anyways, I want to say thank you guys so much. Once again, we'll end it there. We will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys. Adios. W's in the chat. W's. Oscar, I love you. Goodbye, Matheson. Goodbye, Pink. Goodbye, Master. Goodbye.